Happy Friday. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome. I see you, Green. I see you. Yes, sir. Hey, love y'all. Good to be here today. Y'all ready for a good one? W's in the chat. I see him coming in. Yes, sir. We speeding it up today. We're kicking and speeding. What up, everyone? What up, Legrand? What up, Stephen B? Hero of the day is in the house. What up, Kerala? Wait, I forgot to say it again. Wait, you got to message me. I forgot how to say it. Storm Players in the house, though. PM Magnifico's here. Sergio TTE Bank Santos. Mr. Volatility's in the house. Oh, yeah, we got some volatility. We got options here today. What up, options? Z Gamer's in the house. What's good, Z Gamer? The Yeeza is in the building. What up, the Yeeza? Ewan's in the house. What up, Ewan? What up, everybody? Osama's here. Hey, I think I seen Sam here too today. What up, Sam? I think I seen Sam. Yeah. Hey, big blessings to you guys as you come on in this morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a great evening. If you guys could like the stream, that would be awesome. Buenos dias. And Jonah, buenos dias. Rapid Max in the house. Oh, yes, sir. Hey, everyone's here today. What's good, everyone? Trader next door. I see you. What up, Luca? There's Sam Capital. What up, Sam? Good morning. I just found out that there's a big steakhouse called Nick and Sam's. So Nick and Sam are going to have to visit that steakhouse pretty soon. All right, let me get everything set up here. I think we're pretty much all good to go. One moment. Yo. What up, Edwin? Buenos dias. What up, Dominic? What up, Nathaniel? Hugo's in the house. What up, Hugo? Jay Finesse. Good morning, brother. Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, let's pray. Let's pray real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. We just pray, Lord, that we would come to your altar, Lord, that your altar is available for us. We just give you the glory for it, that we can put everything we go through, Lord. We all go through things in life, and it's so cool that we could put them right there at the foot of the cross, Lord, and you'll take them from there. We thank you, Lord. I thank you for doing this in my life many times, Lord. I am nothing without you here, Lord. It is in my thoughts, Lord, it's just I got lucky, right? But I believe it's faith and obedience that's been rewarded. So we thank you, Lord, for your promises when we do abide in your faith and in your love, Lord. We thank you so much for everything you've done and everything you'll continue to do in our lives. I pray a blessing over everyone listening to this right now. In Jesus' name, amen. Awesome. Good to go. Good to roll, baby. Good to roll. All right, let me get rid of this big, beautiful heart. My big lefty. Some of you girls are like, what is this? Hey, I'm a guy and I'm lefty. That's how I draw hearts. It's the thought that counts. All right, let's do it. Amen. Hallelujah. All right, let me lower the music here. And we are going to get started. Let's get started. Lefties rule. Yes. Let's go. Wow, it brings so much joy to my heart to see the amens in the chat. Holy moly, man. Only if you guys really heard the conversations in prayer and the conversations with the Lord 15 months ago. Wow. Thank you, Jesus. All right, let's do it. Zoom link. Let me send that Zoom link out to you guys. I'm just overwhelmed with gratitude and joy here. Hey, I was a little late because I was mesmerized by the sun coming up this morning. What a beautiful view, man. What a beautiful view today. All right, we should be good here on Zoom. Looks like people are starting to come in, I think. Yeah, okay, perfect. Awesome. Welcome in, everyone in Zoom. And I think we're good to go. Yeah, let's get the day started here. Zoom links out. Music is good. You guys good? Music good? What do you guys think? Somebody wanted to see my magic key setup too. I've seen that in the chat. So remind me, and I'll show you guys my settings in a few minutes here. But we got time today, gang. Don't worry. Don't get all caught up what's going on the charts here. We're gonna sit tight and wait for NFP here today and see if we can follow suit on the aftermath of the explosion. Cool. Set sell stop and buy stop. All right, yeah, maybe we'll do that today. Maybe we'll set a sell stop and a buy stop and have some fun and see what happens. All right, cool. I think we're good to go. I think we're good. Volume should be good to go. Let me minimize this and perfect. All right. Well, welcome in everyone. Welcome. It is Friday. It is a brand new day. It is another New York session here, right? Another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be professionals here in the market, to follow our game plan. And I think we need to remind ourselves that every day. And you guys may think, man, he says that every day. But you know what, gang? I'm human too. Right, I got to remind myself day in and day out to be disciplined, to be professional, to follow my plan by all means necessary and not jump into anything that doesn't line up with exactly what I'm looking for. So when I do that, I'm happy regardless of the result. I'm always happy. So you guys can be there too. If you want to stop being frustrated in your trading, it's all about being disciplined. It's all about being professional, and it's all about sticking to the same principles, same concepts, day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. So we're going to continue to do that here today. Good morning, everybody in Zoom. Welcome in, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at what we got. So today, again, is Friday. It is December 8th. So it is the 8th day of December here, and we have NFP coming in. So NFP is here. It is it's the second Friday of the month, but NFP is here today, and we've got a fireworks show, man. It's going to be like 4th of July here in America. 8:30, you should see the fireworks begin to pop off. That should give us some direction here today. It should also bring in a lot of volume. So we will look to capitalize on that, right? We will see where that direction is. We'll see where that volume goes, and it's going to be our job to see if we can find a doorway in and some positions in here today. So we're going to be waiting for that. Not going to be taking any trades until NFP here today, and that happens in about an hour. So not too far out. We've waited before, right? It's no big deal. So we're gonna wait for NFP here today. So let me pull up the charts. I haven't really seen anything since earlier or Asian session. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do a breakdown here and see what we got going on gold here. You guys ready? What up, Shad? What's up, George VDM? Yeah, George VDM's in the house. Shad's in the building. All the mods are here today. Yeah, good stuff. Dennis Hood is in the house. Sorry, Dennis. Bink, bink. All right, let's do this. So let's go ahead and do a breakdown. Let's take a look at the monthly candle here, monthly chart, and let's see what we got going on here for today. So looking at the monthly chart, if we kind of scroll out a little bit, we know that we have closed above the all-time highs, right? We know that we have actually broken the all-time highs, closed above this all-time high resistance here as well. And price had moved up, right? Price had moved up very nicely, tapping into like this 2150 area, and then immediately rejected. Now, one thing about the push up, and maybe Sam could talk a little bit more about this later, a little bit better than I could put it, but we had news come out, right? We had Powell speak on Friday last week, and that was after the market closed, I believe. So what happened was, that's why you've seen such a huge push up on Sunday evening or Asian session, the first Asian session of the week, is because all that was being priced in. And again, I think Sam could talk a little bit better on that, but notice how we just pushed right back down. Right, so we jolted up and the entire move got corrected. I believe this was like a 600 pip blast off, right? Yeah, I forget where it happened from, but if we do look at the monthly, right, from breaking its own high or previous highs, That was like a 900, almost 1,000 pip move, right? And then we just retraced it. We retraced the move that same exact night, couple hours later. So it was a massive rejection, but a very, very quick or a massive push up and then a very, very quick rejection here. So now we're bearish, right? So now we've flipped bearish. We've kind of created a low here. And this monthly candle, it still has 21 days on it. This is also going to be the last month of the yearly candle. And we looked at the yearly candle yesterday, I believe, right? So we have an idea of what that candle wants to do. I don't think we have to go over it here too much today, but we understand that that yearly candle has pushed up and it's time for a pullback, right? It's time for a little bit of a pullback. So that way we leave a wick fill for next year. Okay. So what does that look like on the monthly candles? Well, that probably looks like you're going to form some sort of resistance, right? Something like this, rejection. And the next monthly candle, which will be January, should move down, right? February should move down as well as we create a yearly bottom wick. And then at some point in late quarter one, quarter two is where you should see the switch, right? That's probably where you're going to see the support being formed and price start to move back up to fill the wick, right, on the yearly chart. If this is a yearly candle right here, right? The idea here is to create a bottom wick and fill that wick, right? So what does that bottom wick look like what does this bottom wick here look like on the monthly chart? Like this, right? Couple monthly candles. And then the bottom of the wick would be a support, right? A support. And then what does it look like on the way up? Well, if this is the wick, then what you're going to see is monthly bullish candles, right? Moving on up. So this is what we have to look towards next year, right? So maybe, just maybe, this happens. And then this right here is this, right, on just a yearly chart. So we'll see, right? We're getting a little ahead of ourselves, but that's some predictions we got going on here for next year if we do end up closing bullish on this yearly candle. So it looks like we will, but let's go ahead and get a look at all this stuff here on the weekly chart. So weekly is looking like it's trying to form a resistance, right? So depending on how numbers come out today, you may see the weekly candle close below this level here. And look, if the weekly does close below, again, then next week should follow suit, right? We've got a support down here to retest, and that should be the move that we make next week, as long as this current weekly candle that we're looking at can close below the range, right? If it can close below, that's going to be our confirmation candle. This, in a way, going to be our trading candle, right? So that's what we're looking at. Pretty bearish here on the weekly after this rejection. It's all about now whether or not we're actually going to close below today, right? Because we can come down and wick into this area and then flip bullish and break the highs here with NFP today. Anything could happen, literally anything. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to play ball here today on the daily. So looking at the daily chart, we did close bullish yesterday, right? So we ended up closing bullish. We're a little hesitant about this daily candle here because we know that we had remained below this support. Now, we did close below still. We did break the previous candle highs. So therefore, this candle now should fill that wick according to price action, right? Now, one thing I am looking at here, and we've seen this many, many times, is that you are attempting to close back above 2035 here. So this candle attempted it right here. See the wick? Attempted to close back above. This candle tried to poke its head up as well. This candle as well. And then we'll see what happens here, right? Now we've tried to kind of close back above because we're in a new range, right? So if we're looking at the ranges we're in currently, if we're looking at price action, this is your range, right? This is the range that we're currently in, from 2035 down to 1990. Now, this is the range above that, right? So price is trying to attempt to get back into this white range here, but it's failing, right? So as long as we stay below 35, then at any point you can see some of these daily candles start to move down, right? Start to do something like this, create resistance, and then retest the low there to go ahead and fill this range, right? This range right here. So that's where we're at. Not really looking to trade the white zone unless we actually do get a closure. Now, again, we can fill this wick here today and then still move bearish towards the end of the day. So let's see what the 4 hour looks like here. Let me erase all this and see how we could plan buys and sells here today. So and look, one thing I was thinking too is NFP could push us up, fill this wick, fail to break the high, but still give us the wick fill and then come down and break the lows here, right, to form some sort of resistance. So buys and sells could work out really well today, just depending on how everything comes out with news here. So let's go ahead and see what all this looks like on the 4 hour chart so we can get some ideas here on positions. So typical NFP, you're ranging, right? You're currently in a range right now, and this is pretty much the range that you're in on the 4 hour chart. So you've got this range right here, which is the range we're trading in, and we haven't really been able to break out of it in quite some time, right? I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 4 hour candles. So we've been in this range now for so it's no surprise, you know, we didn't take a trade yesterday. It's no surprise we got tripped up on Wednesday, right? Because we are ranging, and price isn't really giving much direction here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour chart and see how can we scalp positions here today. So we know that we have a resistance right here, right? Pretty strong resistance. Now again, there's a resistance here as well, but it's too close to price, right? Too close. We could reject right here. I don't think the range is that big either. It's a 13 pip range here. So I'll sacrifice those 13 pips for an actual legitimate closure above these levels right here. Resistance, support, right? Rejection. I want to see a closure above there, and then I think price is good to go up. We've got pretty clean traffic coming up. This is also going to be the wick fill on the day as well. So if we do get closures above after NFP, then price should be good to continue up and fill this wick here today. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. 30-minute chart. Yeah, I think this is pretty good here today. Yeah, we've got clean traffic below, clean traffic above. We're in this nasty range right now. Seems like every time we were able to move down here, close below, move down, close below, move down, close below, move down, down. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So I'm going to have my support here at 2027, 680 on the 30-minute time frame for looking for sells below there today. And again, we have wick fills here, right? So we know that there's going to be high volume coming in today. We understand that wicks are filled during that high volume, and that should be a target for us today. So if we are looking for sells and we do get the closures we're looking for, I can see price hitting 2020 and then potentially even coming a little further here today. So 2020 will be the target, the original target for me. And then up here is going to be the daily wick fill, right? So you've got 2040 up here where these wicks can begin to get filled. And look, gang, you have such clean traffic, right? If price really wants to move today and move up, you're going to see a crazy amount of volume, and you've got ranges for days here, right? You got ranges for days moving up. So we'll keep an eye on this area as well from 38 to 50 up here. But that's probably going to be the cleanest range to trade in. This one's decent too. But you know, once we get up there, like NFP, we might not get a chance to trade in this range here, right? Because here, I'll do pink for the ladies. We might not get a chance to trade in this pink range here, right? Because if NFP wants to really move up here today, then let's say we create a support, you know, you're going to see candles start to blast off, right? So if we could do something like this and, you know, come back down real quick for us and kind of form some sort of support. It may not be a crazy support, right? It may just be something like this, and we can close back above, right? We can close outside of this this pink range, then it's game on, right? Above 38 is going to be super clean for us to take buys. So just hang tight, gang. There's a lot of room to trade here today. We just have to be patient, right? We want to see if NFP, if numbers come out where we're going to move up, we want to see pretty much a push through the pink range, a support formed, a breakout, and then that's going to be our opportunity to move back up here today. So that's what I'll be looking for. We'll see if we get it. for the buys, and we are bullish on the day, so it makes sense. And what else? Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, this wick fill, this previous wick fill is way up here. So yeah, there it is. That's the wick fill today. So we will we'll see where we move to as NFP comes out. So simple day here today, gang. Let price break out of the range. That's really it. You don't have to do anything special. You just gotta wait. You can't be an idiot pre NFP and try and trade within the range. Otherwise, you will get idiot results here today. So let's not do that. Let's make sure we're sticking to what we've experienced works in the market, and sit tight and wait on it. That's it. Now we work. Now we get paid. What do we get paid to do? Get paid to wait. Get paid to wait. Same thing with sells. If we do start breaking down here, you may get a drastic push, right? All we're looking for at the end of the day is, you know, a wick to fill for high volume. You may see something like this, and same thing. We may not get a, you know, like on an average day, we would look for a pullback, right? Like a pullback like this. You may not get that here today, gang, right? You may just get one simple resistance like this. So you get a support, you get a resistance, and then now we have a wick fill ahead of us, right? To go on and fill this wick and then continue down within those ranges there. So that's what I'll be looking at for sells. Again, we're probably gonna see a big move that we're not gonna be a part of. Brace for it now. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Unless you're trading the news, then you may be a part of it. But for me, I know that there's going to be a big candle that I'm not going to be a part of today. But what I don't care about that candle. What I care about is the direction, creating some sort of opportunity for us, and then taking my trade. That's it. That's all I care about today. Don't care about any money today. Don't care about any profits. Don't care about any percentages. Just care about following my plan and sticking to the plan like a G. Sticking to the plan like a pro. Cool? Sweet. Questions? Comments? Concerns? This is my plan. I'm sticking to it. It's my story, and I'm sticking to it here today. Do you think resistance around 2 a.m. in gold would have been more valid? 2 a.m., 2 a.m., 2 a.m. 2? This guy? More valid for what? To put today? Like to put now? I don't think so. If you're talking about putting this here, nah. So what you can do is, if you would like, you can put it there, and if any of you guys are taking impulse entries, that's your entry point right there, that wick. But I am not going to do that today. But if you guys want to, that's probably what I would do if I was doing it. What up, Alexandros? Alexandros is in the house. We got, who else we got? Classic Traders here. What up, Classic? What up, Andrew Tater Tot? All right, cool. Sweet. Let's excuse me, let's take a look at pound yen here, and we'll also take a look at NAS 100 as well. So taking a look at GJ. Oh, holy GJ. Yeah, yesterday we just drove down, filled this whole range here, tapped into the support, went even lower. Really pretty much tapped into this support over here. Damn. Wow. What a daily candle that was. Haven't seen that in a while here on pound yen. So yeah, so taking a look at GJ here, although we did push all the way down, we did close right at support. So we closed right at support. We exhausted from the downside. This candle attempted to do that as well. It looks like it exhausted also. And it's coming up here. So we'll see what happens at this support level. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, ooh, man. 4 hours chopping. 4 hours chopping. So 4 hour is at the gas station, right? 4 hours is going to be fueling up here. As you can see, we just had a major move, right? Major move here on pound yen. And I think it needs just a little bit of time to breathe here. So let's go ahead and see what this consolidation looks like on the 1 hour chart so we can plan some things out here. So we are very bearish today. So if I am taking buys, it's probably going to be above 182.400. Going to look for buys above there, buys above, boom. And then in terms of sells, right, if you can probably get a, let me see here. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, 30. Yeah, this isn't bad. So you did close with like no bottom wick there. But if you can get some sort of retest, right, of 181.600 here, which is that resistance. Because, look, we're closing no bottom wick, no top wick. So not really in a position to take this. But like I said, if you can kind of come back up, tap into this level, then I think sells are pretty valid from like 181.600 here for price to continue down today, right, with all this momentum coming to the downside. But you really do need to close, I think, at least below here to take your sells. And if you can't get them, if this thing just decides to bleed, then you can look to take more sells below these support levels here. But I do think you need a little bit of a retracement, and then you should be pretty valid. So that's what I look at here for pound yen. Just basically, I'm gonna put fake out, right? Some sort of a fake out for sells to come back down in this zone, right? And then, yeah, that's probably it. I don't think I'm gonna take, I wouldn't take sells here because, again, no bottom wick, no top wicks, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I think if you can get somewhat of a pullback, then you can continue down from like 181.600 there. So that's probably what I'll look for on GJ today. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, buys would be above 182.660. Yeah, right above here. Yeah, you don't want to take buys here because that's where you can get faked out, like kind of like what's happening here. So yeah, that's it. You still got pretty clean range, right? The 4 hour is super choppy though. So we'll see what happens with NFP here on pound yen as well and see how that affects everything. But I think we could just put, you know, clean sells below 180, 880 here today. Yeah. Yep. You got range, right? You've got these ranges here. So there's a bunch of ranges here today, and you just gotta wait, right? These are all your ranges here on pound yen. All your ranges. Yeah. So right now we're seeing what's up here, but then we've got this range. We've also got this guy, and then you've got here. So a lot of ranges for GJ today, especially going down. So we'll see what happens. I think you do need a pullback though if you're gonna take sells here on GJ. Yeah, just a little bit of consolidation before NY open, before NFP, and then maybe with this 4 hour candle, what I was thinking is the 4 hour candle can actually make a decision here, right? So potentially it can close bearish, right, and give a resistance, something like this. So that way, okay, we could say, all right, let's take our sells coming down. Or it could actually close bullish above the resistance here, right? It looks something like this. And then we can say, okay, well, it looks like price is ready to head up. And we could look to take our buys now, right? If we close above like that, boom. Now we're in this range, 182, 600. Could possibly be a target for the 4 hour. So I'm not going to take buys on the closure of the 1 hour here. But if the 4 hour ends up closing below its own resistance, then yeah, they may be valid a little earlier. So that's what I will look towards here today. I'm gonna get rid of all this so it doesn't look super choppy. And that's it. That is it. Yeah, we'll just leave one range here, and then we'll also leave one range up here. Yep. Cool. So that's the game plan on pound yen today. very, very bearish, right, for the most part. So the one thing that's going to mess things up is going to be this 4-hour chart here. This may cause some confusion with price action. So we're diving back into this super choppy range here. So let's just let NFP come out, gang, and then we'll have a better idea here. Sweet. Cool. Oh, nice, Josh. Congrats. Nicholas, how's life going? Fantastic. Blessed and highly favored, man. Honestly, living the dream. They say December USD loses some volume, like pairs in. Yeah, typically, I mean, I've been trading for 4 years. I've seen December kind of quiet down a bit, but not last year. Not last year. Last year we ripped in December. So, you know, we'll see what happens this year. We just play it day by day. Day by day. I usually don't look, you know, too deep like that. I just come to the charts day in and day out, see what the volume gives us for that given day and trade it and get off the charts and come back the next day. Yeah, and check the volume out again. Yeah, I usually don't. I'm not a deep thinker like that, you know. Like some of you guys think like, you know, Tuesdays. You know, I noticed I'm not that good on Tuesdays, so I don't trade Tuesdays anymore, and all that stuff is fine too, right? But me, I just show up every day and see what the market's gonna give me. That's it. I just show up every day and look to participate in my game plan. Yeah, some of you guys are deep thinkers. I can't trade, you know, on Fridays, or I can't trade on Mondays, or, you know, this time is, I'm never trading at this time again, and I get it, but I just kind of show up every day and with a fresh canvas. Oh yeah, somebody wanted to see my magic keys, right? Here you guys go. Did I ever trade oil? I've never traded oil. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me, I don't trade on Saturdays and Sundays. That's it. How do you handle your 2 losses from this week? What do you mean? What do you mean, how do you handle them? Yeah, you guys want to see a little bit further down? I think you should be good. This is the main stuff here. Yeah, how to like handle losses, gang. Like, you got to know what you're really a part of here. You know, like trading, you're going to lose trades. It doesn't make you a bad trader, right? It doesn't have to ruin you. It doesn't have to, you know, get you all philosophical, and it's part of the game, right? We all know what's happening, right? We all know what's going down. You know, you're going to come here for trades. You're going to look for ideas. You're going to have some previous data that says, hey, you know, this, and that. Every time it happens, you got a higher chance of winning than losing, right? So you take the trade, right, based off the data you have. You win, you lose. It doesn't matter, right? It just doesn't matter. All that matters is that you show up day in, day out, have a plan, trade with purpose, and make sure you're disciplined to the plan, right? That's it. You're going to win trades. You're going to lose trades. It's not going to be it's not the first trade I ever lost. It won't be the last trade. It's just another trade. You know, so all I do is I come back the next day, I show up, and I look for the next best opportunity. I don't let losses get me down, because it's the game we're playing. Right? We're playing the game here, gang. So you have to know what the game entails, and you know, it entails losses, right? You're gonna take losses in trading. It's never gonna stop, I promise you, right? It's never gonna stop. You can go on, you can be a great trader, but still take losses here and there. So, and same thing with, you can be a great trader and take a losing week, take a losing month, right? Can you be prepared for that as a trader, right? It's not like your job. It's not a consistent 9 to 5, you know, you show up, you get paid, or, you know, the sales, you know, you kind of get there and, you know, you make some phone calls, you get commission. It's totally different game here. Totally different. But man, it's a game where that, in the world we live in, you can make enough money in 1 month here, 2 months, 3 months to literally sustain you for a year, right? So, and that's what I mean. You really got to be prepared. A lot of people want to leave their jobs right away, or, you know, they don't have any money saved and they just want to kind of wing this thing. And then they run into a little bit of adversity and they start running, right, with their tail behind, you know, tucked in their legs, right? So it's not, I really want to set the expectations properly here, man, because too many false narratives roll out there and I just feel bad. You know, it's like, what do I do if I took a loss? Like, what do you mean? You know, like, what do you mean? This is trading, gang. This is, you take wins and losses, right? This is part of what we do. So, just steward your money properly, right? So that way you're not frustrated when you do take losses, and you know, you do go a week without making money, or even a month without making money, right? That can happen in this game, so you've got to be well prepared for it. But you know, I just show up every day, and win, loss, doesn't matter to me. Again, the only thing that matters is me following my game plan. If I can do that day in and day out, I know the game plan works. I've seen it work over the last 3 years. I know it brings in consistent results, so I just stick with it. You know, I never get too excited or down over the, you know, the 2 or 3 trades ahead or in front of me. I just focus on the long game, right? And I know if I focus on the long game, that I'll have a good year. And that's what I mean, the long game, more like a year. Some of you guys are like, oh yeah, long game. Yeah, I'll definitely focus on this week. No. I mean like the year, right? Can you focus on the year and not the day to day, right? Because when you focus on the day to day, that's where you get like, I don't know, flabbergasted. I don't know what you want to call it, right? You just kind of get overwhelmed, right, with the day-to-day stuff that's happening. But, you know, if you have a good system and you have a good playbook, then over the course of time, your edge will show itself, right? Mark Douglas always says your edge is not shown in your next 3 or 4 trades. Your edge is really shown in your next 100 trades, and that's where you want to focus on. You want to focus on the next 100 trades. So when you come in and you take a loss or two, you don't beat yourself up. You don't beat yourself up about it, because you know that, hey, there's 2 losses, right? We're expecting losses here in our system, and you know what? 2 of them just happen to come today. But over the next 100 trades, you know, I should win 80 of them. So, you know, you just got to have the right mindset and the right mentality around this whole trading thing, and set your expectations right. Any suggestions on a person that trades using indicators and chart and candlesticks? If it works for you, keep doing it. That's what I would suggest. You know, indicators are not bad. They're not a bad thing. Just because I don't use them, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't. You know, if that helps you and that helps your brain, then by all means go ahead and run with it. For me, indicators, I'm a very simple, like, I like things very simple, you know, and easy to understand. So that's why I don't leave indicators on my charts. I just kind of keep it simple with the ranges. But I'm not that guy I'm not that trader who bashes other traders who use indicators or use Fibonacci's. We joke about it sometimes, but if that works for you, then I think that's going to be the best bet. You know, whatever really helps you find success in the markets and helps you understand things the best, that's what I would recommend for you. So if it's using indicators, use them, you know. Hey, what up, Jacob? Just joined the Discord. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yo, 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 what up, Rafi? Good morning, bro. It's like a ball player going to the plate and striking out. Yeah, exactly. It's like, yo, what do you think about your last strikeout? It's like, dude, we're playing in the major leagues here. Come on, you know, we're gonna strike out. Gang, you're playing against the best pitcher here. The market's the best pitcher in the league, right? Most people can't get hits off the market. Most people can't score on the market or get on base, right? But we do that, right? We do that. So be proud of where you're at, because I'm telling you, most traders, it's like a cycle, you know what I mean? Like they go in for a year, and then you know what? They just quit. And then the next undisciplined trader comes in, blah, 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 and they quit. And then they quit, and they quit. And the only ones that come over here where the money is are the ones that can actually have a playbook, right? And be disciplined to it. And day in, day out. These are the traders that go ahead and make the money. The rest of them, they just turn in circles. And you know what? They come back. Hey, you know, maybe I'll give this another try. They'll stick with the playbook for a couple days, maybe a week or two, and then they just go back to their own ways. Don't get caught up in that cycle. Don't, please, gang. 95% of traders get caught right here. Please, please, don't let it be you. Just don't let it be you anymore. You know, you don't want to be a statistic. You want to be the minority here that actually knows what you're doing, knows what you're looking at. So, yeah. But yeah, imagine I don't know who, A-Rod, Derek Jeter, you know, like, of course no one wants to strike out, right? Like everyone wants to step up to the plate and get a hit, right? Everyone wants to put on a trade and win it. Of course it sucks a little bit, but like, you can't ponder on it too much. I mean, you play in the major leagues here, gang, right? You're playing against the best pitcher in the world. You know, sometimes you're going to strike out. It's just how it is, right? Just go back to the dugout and, you know, come back again. Yeah, you're just sitting. And look, does the trader really control where the ball goes for the most part? Or does he just control his mechanics? The way he approaches the plate, right? His mechanics, what he looks for, what he's studied, right? He's not in control of where the ball goes. So his goal or her goal is to just get the bat on the ball, right? Just to step up to the plate and do what him and his hitting coach have been working on. Now, he wants to make contact. That's it. Now, where is that contact going to go is not really up to him. It may be a grounder to shortstop, right? It may be a pop fly, a little blooper into the outfield. It may be a home run outside of the park, right? But he doesn't know that before he steps up to the plate, right? His job is just to make contact, and the rest is up to to whatever, right? But same thing here. Our job is just to wait for our setup to show up, right? When it shows up, we take this trade and we hit targets and things go great and we jump up and down, hoo-hoo, rah-rah. Like, look, gang, we didn't do this. We did not do this, right? This was not us. This was the market. We can't take credit for that. The only thing we can take credit for is showing up, waiting for the best setup, understanding it was ready to go, being aware of it, and taking our swing, right? Wherever that ball goes is not up to us. You can get into the market and in 2 seconds it could drive 100 pips. You didn't do that, right? The market did that. So your only job here is to follow your playbook, wait for your setups, and execute when they come. And the rest goes into the hands of probability, and the rest goes into the hands of the market. Cool. And same thing when you lose, right? Same exact thing when you lose. Your only job is to wait for your setup. And whether it goes for you or against you, that is not on you. That is on the market. You have done your job. Once you have executed and got into your position, your job is done. The rest is uncontrollable. The only thing you can control at that point is managing risk, cutting your losses short, or managing your profits and bagging some cash. That's it. Oh, nice. Bugs. Nice bugs. How to understand the bias direction. Just look towards the higher time frames. That's it. Yeah, higher time frames. All right. Let's see who we got here. Oh, we got Rafi in the house. We got Sam in the house. All right, let's pull the boys up. Let's pull them up. Pull up, boys. Pull up. Where'd Sam go? There he is. There, I almost lost him. All right, boys, you're about to go live. You're going on live TV. Make sure you ain't got nothing in your teeth. Make sure you're all good to go. And we straight. All right, we are live now with Sam and Rafi. Take it over, Sam and Rafi. How's it going down there?
Yo, how's it going, Nick? How's it going, Rafi?
Oi, 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 oi,
Oi.
oi, oi, oi.
The boys are here.
What's going on, fam? Oi, oi, oi.
Yo, what's going on, brother?
Oh,
How's the
man.
air treating you today?
Fantastic, bro. Hey, you know what? The air is just the air, bro. You just gotta move on with your own life, you know what
Just
I'm
breathe
saying?
it. Just breathe it.
Just breathe it, bro. Just surrender to it. If it bothers you, move on. There's nothing you can do about that.
If it bothers you, man, just hold your breath. I don't know what to tell you. You don't like the air, just don't breathe it. Just kidding.
Exactly.
Just kidding, chat. Jesus loves you. God has an
What's going on,
amazing
chat?
plan
What's
for your
going
life.
Oink,
Man, I
oink.
just feel freaking pumped, bro, that I'm here with all of you guys. Like yesterday, I took a little. I was listening though, I was driving, so but I wasn't very active on the chat, man. But it's just crazy just to feel here. Just, you know what I'm saying? Like just the energy, the whole crew is here, man. It's Friday, man.
Yes, sir.
Amazing stuff.
Yes, sir. Man, me too. My favorite part of the day every single day.
Yeah.
Get to the Oval Office for NFP? What you think? What you think? I'm on dark mode. Yeah, Rafi got the fresh haircut, true.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go see my mom today. I'm gonna drive down to Kansas City.
Oh, nice.
So that's gonna be fun. Yeah. I haven't seen her in like almost 3 years.
So well, I guess like you said you're from Venezuela, right? So she moved up to
Yeah.
the States.
Yeah, she moved here like 6 years ago, 5 years ago.
Oh, wow.
She lived in Kansas City when I lived there, but obviously I left and she stayed there, and
Yeah.
I mean it's just crazy that she's still there. I mean, you know,
That's cool, though.
cold weather and stuff, you know, but it is what it is.
Yeah, she probably don't like it.
No, she doesn't. That's what I'm saying. It's like crazy that she's still there.
Yeah, that's funny.
Has she
told
come
just go to
visit you
Miami,
yet?
go Florida or something. What you say?
Did she visit you yet in Bali?
Nah, bro. She said it's too far.
She's like, nah, I'm not going on that plane.
That is a flight.
Yeah, I booked my flight already. We're heading back on the 7th, and we're gonna spend the night in Taiwan. I'm excited about that.
Oh, cool.
It's gonna be like 28-hour flight, everything. I mean, 28-hour trip, but we're gonna have to be in Taiwan for 16 hours. So we're just gonna go out, take a hotel, and just
enjoy it.
You know, wander around.
Yeah. Why not?
How you doing, Nick?
Oh man, I'm doing fantastic. Ready for a great day here.
Love that.
Big day.
Bro,
Big day.
I'm
Got
actually,
excess. Got Mountain Valley water. We ready to go.
I need
Ready.
my water, bro. I think I'm
Sam's in the
fast.
back cave.
I'm on dark mode.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What we got planned over here?
I'm on dark mode. That's what I do.
Yes, sir. We
NFP analysis.
yeah, we have NY Open here too right now. So NY Open's coming in. It looks like you did get a resistance to form here too on the 1 hour time frame. 4 hours trying to break the lows. So we will see what's gonna happen. Let's take a look at what numbers they're looking here for NFP. Looks like higher numbers, huh?
Yeah, so this is what I wanted to talk about a little bit. So they are expecting higher numbers from like that forecast. If
Yeah.
you go back 2 days ago, we had bad numbers with the automatic data process NFP. Like if you go back to
Which one was that?
Wednesday.
ADP?
Yeah, on Wednesday.
Hold on, you're breaking up. All right, that should be good. Wednesday was the 6th, right? Yeah. ADP. Yeah,
So we got those
103.
red numbers. So
Yup.
it'll be interesting to see what it does here today.
ADP.
But I think like with this NFP, like if we like close below the support at 8:30, then that'll probably like be our sign that we're gonna see green numbers. However, if we make a support like right before NFP, then you might see those red numbers like we saw on Wednesday. And Wednesday was more recent than that forecast that went out like at the beginning of the week. So
Yeah.
I wonder if it will hold more weight. But yeah, we'll have to see. Like,
Damn, they can't hear you, Sam.
really?
I don't know what happened to Sam's mic.
Bruh.
Sam's gonna have to run out this weekend.
Bro, I put my
His mic's quaking.
my webcam mic on, but it's terrible, bro.
Sam's mic's quaking.
Properties. Levels. Oh yeah, I think I just turned it up some.
Levels. Sam's
Is
mic's
it
in
better?
dark
I
mode.
turned it up from 86 to 100.
Sound they need to tell you because I can hear you, but I can hear you
you're
loud
gonna
and
be
clear.
fine.
But it's
Yeah, I can
them
hear you
that-
just fine.
yeah, Zoom is gonna be better, but
Start a Sam mic pool.
should Sam get a new mic? Let's start a donation for Sam to get a new mic.
Yeah, facts. You gotta get me off this wired one. I probably already broke it, bro, because I always unplug it. I always yank it out on accident.
You got the dog eating the wires and stuff over there. Ever since Sam got that dog, man, we can't hear him.
Yeah, it might be, you might need to turn me up. I don't know how you would do it, though. You probably have to turn up the whole Zoom.
Let me see.
But
Talk a little bit more now.
yo, 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 yo. Let me know how it sounds once it sounds a little better. Yeah.
I think that sounds a little better.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, I think it
Oh,
sounds
well.
better.
You gotta turn me up. Then chat.
Turn up.
Turn me up.
You got to take the other stream off, gang. Turn that other stream off. You got 2 streams. You got 3 streams going on right now. What in the world is going on with you right now, man?
Yo, what's the name of that guy that you used to show? It's like,
yo, we showed him yesterday. Actually, that was a throw. Yo, we haven't brought out
Oh,
Squiggly
yeah.
Eyes in a while. Squiggly gang.
Squiggly eyes. Yo, that was funny, bro.
Yo, where the squiggly gang at?
Yeah, the chat was laughing hard at that too, bro. That was hilarious.
Yo, we used to pull that one out all the time.
Hey, I'll be Pippi.
Just talking a high pitch the whole time. Don't play the squiggly game today, gang. The squiggly game today will really mess you up. On NFP, holy.
Yeah, so like, if we do get those red numbers too, like that would give us a fat liquidity grab to the downside first.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Yup.
And so like, if we could form like a support right before NFP, and if it makes the bottom wick first, and like, this is like kind of like what I feel like it wants to do. Like, well, we'll have to see if it makes this support, but I feel like it'll want to like come down in here first, and then if bink, start going back up.
Yeah, that looks good to me. Fail.
How do I delete that? I'm
Fail.
terrible with the zoom.
I'll delete
Clear.
it for you. Yeah, fail to fill that wick or something. Reject around here. To the moon.
Yeah, we'll see though.
What up, TK? TK's in the house. He's that guy.
I was watching TK cook steaks yesterday.
Yo, TK. TK.
But he ran out of
Steak.
seasoning. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like you used too much, bro. I could be wrong though.
Yeah, I didn't eat good yesterday. I went out to eat. I had pasta.
That's good. Carbs for the bulk.
Yeah, I had pasta. I had a date night with my lady.
Yeah, man, pasta's good.
Uncle John pulled up, watched the kids.
Nice.
It's like, thank you. Yeah, it was fire though.
John just pulled up here today.
It was
Right.
worth it. Johnny's here.
Yes, sir.
Uncle John's in the house.
Johnny boy!
Bring him out.
Bing, bing. Let's bring him up. Let's bring him up. Let's find him. Let's find him on the Zoom. There you go. There you go. Who else is on Zoom here today? What up, Travis? What up, Gotta Trade? What's good, Adam? What up, Chris? Chantel's in the house. Joseph. Toby's here. What up, Toby? MC Bro. What up, everybody? What's good? What's good? Johnny boy, let's unmute Uncle John. And he is here.
What's good, boys?
How are
Good,
ya?
brother?
Johnny boy!
Looking amazing. You boys look great today.
Hey,
Oh,
so do
thank
you.
We all
So do
look
you,
great,
bro.
You
Man,
shining.
thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
You shining.
Shining. That's how I seen you as soon as you joined, bro. It was like a
It's like an angel
glow
that
from the
just
corner of my
popped
screen.
in, all
Flashbang.
white background.
Here, over me.
Slash bang.
Flashbang, bing.
Hey, man.
Sir.
I'm ready to have a great day.
Big day. Big day.
Amazing day.
Sir.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, I want to see if we get that support.
Yeah, looks like it. Let's see what happens. We have about 20 minutes left for this news. So we'll see what we do here. If we create support, we should jump juice up. See how numbers come out.
DK, that's funny.
It's a Pip Snatcher. And I like that name, Pip Snatcher. I like that. That's dope. Hey, Forex Frank.
Forex Frank.
Forex Factory color shirt. It's John the Don. What up, Taj? Taj 2K. What's up, Angelo? Good morning. Nas 100? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at Nazi here. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's get rid of all this and let's just do a quick breakdown here on NAS 100. So weekly actually did break the lows there. So we did break lows on the weekly. We rejected though pretty much right away. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. I think that was yesterday's daily. Yeah, yesterday's daily was a juicer. So look, Nasdaq may be slowing down here, man. Weekly has been on this run. I mean, monthly has just been on a bull run, right? Nice bull tear here. We're finally coming up towards this resistance that we have, so we may start to consolidate up in these areas on Nasdaq as we, you know, have the year end here, right? And we start moving into the new year. So that's what it's looking like on the daily chart. You do have a bunch of consolidation here. Let me get rid of all this. But you do have, you know, support, very strong support here, very, very strong resistance, and this is just consolidating, right? This is consolidating at its finest here. All you see is just sideways candles, right? No real direction here on the daily time frame. So again, I think we are slowing down here for the year end. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. The daily did close bullish, but we closed right at resistance, like right at major resistance here. If you guys look, there's all this resistance, wick rejections, and that's kind of fake outs and all that stuff going on here. So not the best closure, right, on yesterday's candle. So let's go ahead and see if we are bullish. How can we find buys today? How can we find sells today? Well, let's mark off that support and let's mark off this resistance here. So that's pretty much your range here on the 4 hour chart. So very, very clean range moving down, pretty decent range moving up as well. Let's go see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Oh, nice. 1 hour looks like we got an actual closure below. So yeah, this is the range you're looking at. You got nice clean candle coming down. I would look to take potential sells somewhere below here. Let me see the 30-minute. Yeah, we may reject here. So probably closures below this 30-minute support would be ideal. If we do take sells, I really think you need a resistance though, because we are bullish on the day technically, so we kind of do need some sort of a range too, right? So maybe if we can reject right here, and then look, there's another support that we left, which is right here. So if we can come back up and retest the zone, create a support right here, that'll give us our range 2 breakout, and therefore we could look to take our sells. So if we get a support here, we get a retest of the zone, and then price begins to move back down, then I think you got your range 2 breakout, and now you're good to trade this 30-minute range here. So that's probably what I'll look at here today for sells on Nasdaq, and then buys, I'll just look for probably closures above, right? Closures above. Let's go ahead. I think it looks a lot better here on the hour. Yeah. Closures back above 15981 to take buys. Yeah, that's going to be best. So what you're looking for in this area is either a closure back above or a fake out. So some sort of a fake out on buys. So that's probably going to be the area in which I'll look to make a decision here on Nasdaq, and then sells below here. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, 15-minute giving you a range too here. So yeah, that could work out. Sells below 15951. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, the one thing about our daily again, gang, is just all that, right? Not good. Not good. Not good. But yeah, that's going to be NASDAQ for me today. Give me back MT4. You guys still using MT4?
Facts. That's a dinosaur terminal, bro.
I'm sure some people.
Have we done a news analysis? Yes, sir.
Ancient. That's the ancient.
When did we do that? I think it was like right around 8 a.m. like 15 minutes ago.
Hey, Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? Hey, David, thanks for the dono, man. Damn. Appreciate that. Let's go.
Shout out David.
Thank you,
Yeah,
David.
shout out David.
Thank you, thank you. You did not have to do that. Much love from Mexico. God bless you all, TTE gang. Hey, thank you for your blessings, David. Appreciate that. Wow,
David.
what a guy. Sheesh. Yanosh. Yanosh.
We got such nice people here in the chat.
Yeah.
Love
We got the Quakers lurking. Yo. They lurking.
Figures out.
They're lurking. They're getting ready.
Lord, I pray for the Quakers.
Hey,
This is
eyeballing.
the Quakers behind their keyboard. Getting ready to fire up the keyboard.
Cracking their knuckles. Click, crack, 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 crack. Why do Quakers get the best knuckle cracks? They'd be like, boom. Like, oh man, that sounded like it felt so good.
Quaker thing.
It's a Quaker thing.
We're not talking about them Quaker oats either.
What up, Alexandros?
Talking about them Quaker folks.
Alexandros, what's good, brother?
Did we pray today? Oh, you already know. We stay prayed up. Hey, whoever encouraged me, obviously it was the Lord, right? The power of the Holy Spirit, but it was working through someone here, right? So I don't know. Thank you guys, man, because I would pray over the stream prior to the stream, but it feels good to publicly pray and you know, when two or more are gathered, there he is. So
Yeah, love you.
Quakers are eating their oats, drinking that Quakerade, that Gatorade.
Yo, you know, like I was just thinking the last couple of days about, you know, the people that quake, you know, and it's like, yo, just remove trading, remove everything out of the side, and I just want you to think about their mental state. I'm sure this is not the only thing that they complain on, you know, like they're probably quake about their current situation, their life, you know, like their relationships. They probably are in victim mode on a daily basis. So it's like, for all you Quakers, if you guys are listening right now, because I know you probably are as you're eating your oatmeal, before you start quaking and blaming somebody else for the results that you're actually having at the moment, pause and take a look at your life and see where else you're quaking about. Because like I said before, and I'm gonna keep saying it, trading is a pure reflection of your personal life. How you do one thing in your life, you're gonna do the same thing in here. This is it's a really ruthless business. It's just like baseball. Baseball doesn't care about you're a product. You put the numbers, you get a contract. You don't, you're out. Simple as that. Here, same thing. If you don't make the right decisions, if you don't have your mental state, and you don't have that inner peace with yourself, the market is just gonna break you down. It's gonna throw you in the dirt and gonna break you down. So before you even get on a trade, deep dive in, like just go inside and see what is that I'm doing, what am I unhappy with. You cannot be here successful when you're miserable in your own life, right? So diving deep, what is it that you need to work on? Because this is what it is, man. Like trading is the biggest self-development game that there can be. So you start diving in deep, because the strategy, every strategy works. What doesn't work is the trader, the operator, right? So diving deep, instead of blaming Nick, blaming somebody else, look at yourself, look deep inside. And I promise you, trading will become a lot easier to maneuver the losses, because losses at the end of the day is just pain, and it's just a pure reflection of how you perceive these losses. So if you perceive it from your personal standpoint, bro, you're gonna be in pain. So diving deep, figure that out, start working on that, and you'll see that trading will be a lot smoother.
Yo, I love that. That's so true. So true. Joe XD, thank you so much, man, for the dono. You didn't have to do that, but thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's so true, man. You know, everything you do, I mean, everything you do, everything you have, where you are in life is a reflection of who you are on the inside. What you think, you know, what are you thinking in your own mind on a day-to-day basis? Chances are if you quake here and you get mad when you lose a trade or whatever, you probably get mad when someone cuts you off in traffic. I'm sure that drives you nuts as well. And little things, you know, I'm sure little things can get you, right? So you got to figure out the root to that. And if you need help, call 1-800-RAFI.com and he'll get you right. He'll get you right.
Just think about that, what you just said right there. Like somebody cuts you off and you get pissed off. I mean, you're being very reactive.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens when you get in the market? Something doesn't go your way, you become reactive, and then you just start jumping and, you know, maybe get on another trade and get a bigger lot size just because you want to get your losses back. We don't want to become reactive into this. We're already reactive beings as it is. We just got to be able to understand and learn how to not react, but pretty much observe and respond to the situations. Reacting and responding are two completely different things. And that's what meditation teaches you on. You observe and you respond to certain situations. Because when you react, you are reacting out of emotion. Just think about that for a second. Let it marinate. So when we start reacting and we just learn how to respond accordingly to situations, now we are emotionless. We're not emotionally attached. And that's one of the hardest things for us to do as humans.
Yeah. And what's crazy is if we would have took a win on that trade, number one, there wouldn't have been a quake. There wouldn't have been any quaking comments. And number two, you would have been jumping up and down for the win, I'm sure, right? If you're crying about the loss, that means you're jumping up and down for the win. So it was clearly because we took. So anything someone says, it's clearly not how they feel. The Forex mindset states it that they are in a state of emotional hijacking, right? They've been emotionally hijacked. And when that happens, people start saying stupid things that make no sense and make them look extremely foolish in front of others, right? So what he talks about is it's almost regret, right? Once you get emotionally hijacked, you make stupid comments and take stupid actions, and then immediately, a little while later, you regret. Now you sit in this regret and you feel like crap and you feel bad, right? Because you know that you acted off of a stupid emotion. So you have to get this under control, right? Most of you got it. I'm so proud of pretty much 85% of the people here, but some of you guys really got to tighten up. You know, you really got to get with it. If you don't have to, but don't expect to win big here, right? If you're not going to do that. So please don't say something and then just remove all doubt that you're a fool, right? Think about what you say, you know, and yes, you're protected behind the username on YouTube, but it's all energy, gang. You're not fooling anyone. You're not lying to anyone. You're not hiding. You have to work. You have to understand how things work in the spiritual realm. You have to understand how energy and flow works. You're literally just hurting yourself, okay? You're just hurting yourself in your own mindset.
That's the thing, you know, that I'm saying. It's like if you don't fix that, you're vibrating at that frequency, and you are going to vibrate at that frequency in everything else. So it's like it's not going to change. So now that's your reality. You're just a Quaker, like simply as that.
Imagine being labeled as a Quaker. Damn.
Start to attract that stuff to your life now because you're thinking about it.
Yep. Yeah, so true. And look, a lot of times you're upset because your life, don't take this the wrong way, but it sucks, right? And you think that this trading thing or taking Nick's trade or taking this guy's trade or that guy's trade is going to help you get out of a sucky life. And I'm telling you, it ain't going to work. It's not the trades we're given that's going to help you. It's the wisdom. It's the things that are, you look around and you go, did anyone else hear that? I remember I used to be in a room and they were just dropping wisdom. And I look around the auditorium, I'd be like, yo, did anybody else hear what they just said? Like that little piece right there is going to take me to the next level in my mindset. Maybe I'm not going to make instant money on it right away, but man, that idea right there, that just woke something up in me, right? That's what's going to change your life here, gang. Not the profits on the trades. Like those are going to help. But the real idea here is to get the mindset right? Because once the mindset's right, the man or the woman can do anything that they put their mind to at that point. Yeah. And, you know, don't be an idiot with your money. A lot of times you guys are upset because you're trading your last dollars. You're putting your last dollars in the hands of some YouTube dude. And how many people are here, by the way? I don't have the stream up. How many people are here? Let me just say this.
Yeah.
You guys are just watching me trade. You don't have to take the trades I take. I'm just publicly saying, hey, I'm going to have a buy stop. I'm going to have a sell stop here, right? You don't have to do that. Unless you're in the signals channel and you're really trading with me, there's no one putting a gun to your head, right? So there should be zero quaking at the end of the day. You've made the decision, you know? If someone tells you to jump off a bridge, you're just going to do it, right? That's what my mom used to tell me. No, that sounds like a pretty stupid idea, right? But if someone has a good idea and they're doing it and you agree with it, then do it. If you don't agree with it, don't put the trade on, right? Because I'm putting a trade on. That's just idiotic, right? That's just what you call stupid. So, you know, use your brain a bit too, gang. But we got NFP coming up here. So we got 5 minutes left and we should be good to go. We'll see where the oh, and Gigi. Hey, yo, thank you. Thank you so much. $20. It's gonna all go to a good cause here. So thank you for the dono. Thank you for the dono. Yeah, hero of the day. You're right. Yeah. Hey, you know, my kids don't even quake that much anymore, gang. The kids don't even quake. And don't forget to breathe air. Any tips on mastering support and resistance in trading zones? I tend to overthink them. Yeah, you want to find the main one. So you want to, I always tell people, practice this little exercise here, right? Just go to any pair. Any pair you want, right? And just start with the top down. So you go to the monthly and you check out the monthly and you go, okay, where's the most important support? It's right here. All right, where's the most important resistance? Well, it's right here. All right, cool. Let's go to the weekly now. Do we have to adjust anything? Yeah, you know what we do. So let's find a new support, which is right here. Resistance, that looks pretty good. Maybe move it up a smidge. Perfect. Let's go to the daily now. Do we have to change anything? Do we have anything different? Well, yeah, you know, we have a new support right here. We'll move it up a little bit. We can move this resistance down to here and just track the nearest support and resistance. From time frame to time frame, you could do it on any pair. And what this will do is this will start to give your eyes, this will exercise your eyes into finding support and resistance. And this has helped me a lot. And this has helped me kind of surround price and find the correct ranges that I would be looking for. So just go time frame to time frame, work on just spotting. Don't think too much into it and give yourself a whole like story and all that stuff. Just first work on finding those support and resistances and identifying them, and that'll train your eyes to really, you know, start to see them and then start to be able to find your ranges on a daily. Yeah. All right, gang, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, here it comes. Volume is coming in. I needed to hear this, bro. Love this family, man. Due to my emotions, almost blew 50% of my account. Working slowly to recover it. Awesome. Love it. Hey, we're here to help. We're here to help. We know that people go through this. And honestly, we really want to help the Quakers, right? I don't mean to label you guys as Quakers, right? But that's just the term that we're using. We really want to help everybody. Even when...
Yo, also, I'm going to say, man.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, brother. Go ahead.
Nah, I was just gonna say, even when people do get emotionally hijacked, I understand that they are emotionally hijacked, right? They're not acting or thinking based off logic. So, you know, you gotta learn how to approach people and help them, right? When Jesus hung out with the sinners, they changed. He didn't. Same thing with the Quakers, man. When I deal with Quakers, you know, I hope that they can change, right? And that they can kind of get over those things, and I can help them without becoming a Quaker myself. But we got 20 seconds here. 20 seconds.
Yeah, and I was gonna say, you know, it's like, guys, like, you know, this is a family. So, like, I know I talk to a lot of you. Well, not a lot of you, so some of you. on like Discord and like on my Instagram and stuff. Like, you guys need to talk, man. Just reach out. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're here to help each other. You know, like I learn from you guys, you learn from me, we learn from Nick learn from everybody, right? We're learning from each other. So if you need help, bro, like just reach out, because you know what? It is really hard to talk to somebody else about the things that we're going through. Like the trader goes through something that normal people don't go through. Oh, we got volume.
Here it comes. All right. Let's see what we do at this wick. Oh, we did break the wick. Oh, green numbers? Bet.
Yes, sir.
Damn, there was a lot of people yelling, buy gold. Buy gold.
Yeah, I mean,
Hope you guys didn't buy gold.
Our closed bearish right before, so. That was the key thing that we needed to see. Like,
yeah.
Come up. Yeah, see, this thing might just keep bleeding, bro.
Later.
Been ranging all week.
Yeah,
Basically.
all week. Beauty. Bleeder. Downtown. Hey, Forex Frank was in the cells.
Hey. Oh, I was looking at the 15 minute.
Sheesh.
That's what I was looking at, yeah.
We're ripping now. Let's see the move here. There's a hundo. There's a hundo.
Blader.
You talk too much? All right, let's just be quiet for the next 2 hours. No one say a word.
We say nothing.
This is piercing the earth core. Raj is in cells? I'm sure he is. Silver's bleeding. Later. Quiet, everyone. No one say a word. We want to make this stream as enjoyable for Matthew as possible. The Latin guy? Hey, why's he got to be Latin?
Yo.
Elite trade call. We on mute? Yeah, just hit mute. Wow, ripping. Nice. So we did come down into the zone here, 2016, right into this bottom. Let's see if we remain there or we keep going or if we end up pulling back now. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour tapped into support there. So I'm just messing with you, Matthew. Sell it. Does the news change the day to bearish even though we have a bullish bias? Let's see here. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so we called this here, right? We called this that being that we remained below the range here, that we could potentially see a bearish move here today, right? Attempts to get it, and now it looks like we broke lows here, broke previous candle lows and the candle before that, and you know now we're looking good here, right? So maybe not today, but at some point next week we should see 1990 if we do get a close below there. Yeah, we needed a pullback a resistance anyway, right? Because you got this move down, nice resistance now, and then you should continue down here now. But this is the daily time frame, so. But 4 hours looking pretty decent. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, we could pull back on the 4 hour. That'd be great.
You guys are funny, bro. In a chat.
Yo.
Shout out those who took the sells. Hey, good morning, Sandman. What up, Sandman? Yeah, yo, Dominic, we'll be back. We'll be back next week. I was doing things. I was super busy last night. Didn't get home till late.
Yeah, sorry, gang. That was probably my fault. I kept John up late last night.
Ah, bro. Never your fault. I'm responsible for myself. That 4-hour tap is that 4-hour support.
Yep.
See what happens.
Yeah, daily broke the lows pretty nice. I could see the daily bleeding down here today. And then pulling back and closing below support. Yeah, wow, bleeder. Bleeder here. NFP. And remember, gang, we approached this day understanding that we most likely won't be in that move, right? So now we're going to wait on what we discussed. Right? We already planned on sitting out for that push. And now we know what to do, right? We have plans for ourselves now, so. When you guys turning off in December? We're gonna shut it down the week before Christmas. Hey gang, what's up with I seen these kids talking about Happy Christmas. What's up with you, bro? It's Merry Christmas,
Happy Christmas.
bro. What you mean Happy Christmas? What happened after 2020, gang? I don't know. I don't know what happened in the world after 2020, but Happy Christmas? Come on, man. Come on. We gotta teach these youngsters.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, anyway. We're gonna last stream's gonna be on the 22nd of December. Yeah. Man said Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Merry birthday.
Merry birthday.
Merry birthday, yo. Merry Thanksgiving.
Merry Thanksgiving. Dude said Happy Christmas.
Yo, I was in the post office the other day and there was this 92-year-old lady there and they were asking her to do something on like the computer. She's like, I have no idea. Like, I was like, you have an iPhone? She's like, I don't think so. She pulls her phone out. She had a little iPhone like 4 from back in the day. So I like helped her out and stuff. And then she's like, all right, well, thank you. And happy Thanksgiving. And just walked away. I'm like, yo, Thanksgiving was like 2-3 weeks ago. I was just like, yeah, happy Thanksgiving, you know. She was rocking the old school minivan. I was like, damn, this lady's on the go here at 92.
That's funny, bro.
How we all should be.
Merry Alex. Happy game over.
Christmas coming up here now.
Yeah. Merry Thanksgiving. Was Jesus born in December? I doubt it. I doubt it. Yeah, we know Jesus was born more in the warmer time of the year, but we are just in a way celebrating his birth. Feliz Navidad. Oh, yeah, actually you're right. That does translate to
Oh, what is this?
pull back, pull back, pull back. Wow. 5-minute creative support. Should move up here. But you don't want to do this.
Yeah.
You don't want none of this.
No gambling today.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at Nasdaq. What happened here? Oh yeah, look at this. Big rejection to the downside. Tapped right into support here. Sheesh. Let me see what that looks like on the 4-hour. Oh wow. Daily's still good. Gold broke daily lows though. What up, Sandman? How you doing? How you doing? Let's see what US 30 did. Oh wow, nothing. Wow. Nothing here on US 30. Let's go here. This gold move cleaned the choppiness to the left. Yeah, you're right. It did. It kind of pushed through that for us. So let's see how we close here. We're going to take a look at the 4-hour closure as well. I think as long as the 4-hour here can close below whatever this is, 2025-ish, then we should be good to continue back down, right? We've got a nice wick to fill now. We've got a support here. So yeah, we already broke daily lows, which is good. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, Pip Law, thank you so much for the $2, baby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for showing up every day. I learned a lot. Got you, man. Got you.
Pip loud.
W, bro.
Pip Loud. You guys are really good at thinking of these usernames, man.
Facts.
Like, it'd be one thing if it was Pip Lord, but Pip Lord, just love it.
This makes it.
Greenery. Shout out to Green in the house. The MG across the internet.
My man Green.
Hey, man, I know I'm butchering your name. It's like Chola. But thank you for what you've been doing on the live streams and making it easier for everyone to go back to certain parts and check them out. I know you sent me a message with how to pronounce your name, but I forgot. Sorry.
What's up, Chola?
But Chola. You gotta roll your tongue with it though. Chora.
Chola. I need work.
Chora. How do you see Raj's trades? I don't. Unless he posts them on like the internet.
The metaverse.
Metiverse. Do I ever go off equities correlation? Not really. No, I don't. I can't say that I do. What equities do you look at when you're looking for gold? You're welcome, Nick. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know it takes time to do that, so I really, really, really do appreciate you taking precious, valuable time out of your day to comment on our videos and keep everything clean. Mustajab. Mustajab's in the house. Osama's here. I know he is. I seen him a little earlier. Osama.
Hey. Osama, Habibi, my love.
You got all my love. There he is. Oh, hey, thank you, Dolphy. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. $5. God blessings. Thank you so much.
W.
Big Wolfie, let's go. Damn, is that what you guys do when I lose? You go into other people's chats and be like, yo, 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 yo. Time to eat lost $3 grand. Time to eat lost $9 grand.
I'm sure they do.
Me just don't get it.
If you've done that before, come out and tell us.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
truth.
yeah.
I
We
just-
won't hold it
I-
against you.
Yeah, we won't hold it against you. I think the same.
It's good. I'm flattered, honestly, by it.
I love you.
Raja should be flattered. The big dogs should all be flattered. Are there any good Forex courses, academies to learn with mentors, not by yourself? Yeah, I mean the live streams are really good to come to because you can really see live trading every day. I like the market fluidity was probably the best one for me, and yeah, so there's definitely things out there. But you know, when you're taking a course, you really just want to learn how someone trades, right? How they view the market. So I mean, I don't think there's ever been a better time to be alive as a beginner day trader because you have live streams now, right? So these live streams will show you the traders actually doing what the course would attempt to teach you to do. Only you don't have to pay for it. It's live. You can ask questions in a live chat. You can come here, listen to, you know, traders and watch the trades. And doesn't necessarily mean you take the trades, but you can watch them, see what they do, see what they talk about, see if you like it. And if you find a home there, then you could become a really successful trader. And that was my story. You know, I was going course to course and couldn't really figure this thing out too much and never had anything concrete. But when I was able to jump on a live stream, that's when I, you know, found my home and I planted my stake and I said, I'm going to, you know, figure this thing out here. And that's what I did, you know, and it really, really, I think, boosted my confidence, but also my success, you know, the time that it took. So, you know, I spent X amount of time studying, but then I got on a live stream and in half the time I already knew, you know, quadruple of what I learned on those courses. So it was cool. It was, the main thing was really seeing how traders trade, how they handle losses, and all that stuff, you know, and, you know, get the mentality.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Morning, I'm home, bro. Hey, let's go. You leave work early? Is that why you're home? Oh, you're home because you're home here. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Need a consistent playbook? Yeah, that's all traders are really missing out on. I'm gonna spill the beans, and well, you know what we're attempting to do. It's a big attempt, but deep down we want to increase the win rate here in trading. We understand that 95% of traders fail. We want to change that, right? That's what we want to change here, and I think the expectations have a lot to do with why traders fail, because they have false expectations, right? So having a live stream so you could see the good, the bad, and the ugly, I think that we can actually make a dent in the industry, and I think that we can actually lower the failing rate, right, and actually increase the win rate. But traders need to have a good expectation, the proper expectations coming into the game. That way they can handle what's going to be in front of them. So I think the live streams will help out a lot with that.
You know, Nick, also, you know, like the thing that you just said right there, I think a lot of people, like coming back to what I said before, you know, they're just, their eyes are so many other people, like what other people are losing, what other people are making, what they bought, what they did. If you took that time to improve yourself 1%, you'll be surprised of where you be in the next 3 to 6 months. You know, like people are just so focused on the external.
Yeah.
How about you shift that focus to the internal? Focus on yourself, bro. Just don't look out here. Somebody lost, let them lose. It's their strategy, not yours, you know? That's huge for 2024 for all of you guys. Just focus on how can I improve myself 1% without looking the external.
Yeah, man, we're coming to a close of the year. I had a really interesting, incredible conversation with my mentor yesterday, and you know, you should really recap your year. I think it'll be great. I think if you can get someone to sit with you so you can get a second set of eyes on the yearly recap, then I think that's great as well. But you really want to make plans to kind of what worked this year and what didn't. Right? That's really what you want to do. You want to set up a little T chart or whatever, right? What worked and what didn't work. And you want to see where you're at, right? What, you know, we have these weapons, these swords, and some of them are dull, right? So sometimes, like, maybe they were sharp before, but damn, you got beat up. That you were a super positive person, but 2023 beat the living daylights out of you, right? Maybe you need to go sharpen that sword. Hey, now you know what? I'm not reading anymore like I used to. I'm not tapping in with my mentor anymore like I used to. I'm not, listening to trading podcasts or whatever it is, right? How can I sharpen that sword? And then you start to focus on these areas about yourself, and you make a plan going into the new year. And I highly, highly recommend it, gang, because if you don't have a plan, where do you expect to go? Right? You will remain the same unless you consciously start to make a plan that involves change and growth. And you will love it, right? You will look back in 15 months and think, wow, I am so happy I did that. I'm so happy I worked on this area and that area. Otherwise, you can keep doing the same dumb things forever. Trust me. I know older people who they still did not shake the programming, right? The average, the mediocre programming, and they just live that way forever. And looking at their life, it doesn't seem fun, right? It doesn't seem fun. So set your life with goals and have something that you're going after day in and day out, right? Make sure whatever you're doing is going to really actually get you up in the morning. If you're hitting your alarm clocks 100 times, you're not fired up yet. You don't really know what you're after. $2023 been good learning. Yeah, 2023 has been a great year. It really has.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all in all, whether it was all my failing years were excellent too. They all built, right? They all played a role in success. So GJ entry. GJ is at support currently. I think the entry on pound yen was 830 was news, but yeah, GJ's at support. Let's see what the 4 hour's doing. 4 hour is starting to create resistance, trying to. It attempted to close above resistance there too, but no bueno. Went back and watched the playbook video 4 or 5 times. Yeah, that's gonna be good. If you can stick to three setups, right? Every trade I take is one of 3 setups. It's either a sell-off resistance, buy-off support. It's either a breakout or a very simple celery play. That's it. If it ain't that, I don't want it.
3 high probability setups.
That's all you need. Less is more, gang. Right? Less is more in trading. You don't want to complicate it too much.
And then patience and discipline with that, you're good. Gotta simplify things.
Simplify. That should be the word of 2024. Simplify. It's time to simplify this thing, gang.
Just do.
Yeah. Yep.
Get your wisdom and use it for constructive reasons.
Mhm.
Don't second guess yourself. Just take the wisdom you get and use it.
Yep. Sacrifice, yeah. Yep. Hey, yo. Jacob, game time, Jacob. Let's go. Hey, yo, Sergio.
Sergio Santos, what up?
Jeremy. Jeremy. Shout out to Jeremy. All right, 3 minutes for a 4-hour close here. Maybe we'll be able to make enough money here to buy a nice house like Sam got over there.
Yeah, and if not, pull up.
TTE party.
Yeah, in the back cave.
Back cave.
Yeah, so we're just waiting here. 15. Let's see what the 5-minute did. 5-minute did run up, create a new resistance. 15-minute gave us a top wick here, moving down. There's what, 2 minutes left? 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. 2 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. So let's see how we close up here on the 4-hour.
Gotta get some more information here.
Coach Carter. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, chat moving. Chat moving. Advice to a student who knows how to trade but doesn't have capital and poor parents. Just either start with what you got or apply for a funding account, a funded account. Yeah. Oh, guitar is a little late here today. Oh, sheesh. 4-hour drove right down here. Interesting. Is a sell now too soon? I think so. I don't want to shake anything for you though. I don't want to switch up your thoughts, but the 4-hour is going to close here in about 45 seconds. So I think maybe it might be best to wait.
Yeah.
All right, so let's talk about like what we're expecting now, right? So prices moved down pretty drastically here. We came into the support level. We didn't really do much, right? We kind of stayed right here and got that rejection off of the support. So that's on the 30-minute time frame. It begins to get very choppy right down here. So will price actually push through, or will we actually retrace this move back up to 2027 today? So the 4 hour is going to close. We're closing very close to support here. The next 4 hour could drive down, fill a wick, of course, but being that we are closing right at support, we may see the next 4 hour actually move back up, right, to retrace the move. So we're going to be prepared for both of those moves, and the way we're going to do that is if we do get some sort of support formed back above this level here, which is, what is this, 2020, 2021, yeah, a nice closure above, we may be open to taking buys here. If we get some sort of a close like this, but it's got no top wick or something like that, then we obviously will hold off and we'll see if we can get a resistance to form, and then we will look to take our sells coming down here, right, to continue the move. So I think we need to wait at least a 15-minute candle here and see what direction we want to move on the 15 to know whether or not we're just going to bleed, or are we going to actually come up to make some sort of retracement. Need a pullback. Yeah. Yeah, we're coming into this nasty area here. If we look left, we've got a lot of chop here. Oh, guitar coming out. Let's go.
Auto chop.
GJ closed right at support. Damn. Wow. Let's go look at Nasdaq too. Oh, damn. Wow. You got a wick fill here. Really nice wick fill on the Nasdaq. Yeah, let's wait a 15-minute candle and we'll see where we're at. Oh. Oh, oh. Please, Nick. Please, Nick, what? Yeah, these aren't bad. Yeah, I would still wait for a 15 close on everything. What do I think about GJ? GJ closed that support here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, it's still in the consolidation, unfortunately. So we did close bearish here, but we are in this choppiness, right? So we never closed below support on the 30-minute time frame here. So, or did we? No, we closed right at support here. So I would wait for a closure below before taking any sells. If not, then we look for some sort of buys. I'm looking for buys above 180, 182 up here. Yeah, it's a bit of a stretch, but we're very bearish here today, so. Yeah, we closed right at support though. Does November slow price volume down? Does it obey price action? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, the few years that I've traded, most years December did slow down a bit. Last year we seen actually December turn things up, but we'll see what happens this year. I mean, it's been pretty decent so far in December this year, so. GU breakout. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Chart's closed now. Wait for that certificate. Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's
damn.
go.
Bleeding.
Bleed all I want. Waiting for that pullback.
Well, I take 2 trades at once, Nas and gold. I mean, I'm not gonna take this Nas trade today, but if that did happen, yeah, I would be interested. I'd probably take 2 in once, 2 on 1 trade, if they both look good and lined up. Oh snap, Rafi, did I mute you by mistake? I don't know what happened there.
No,
was
I
wondering why
did
you guys
because
are
I was
quiet. I
making
think
a
I muted
smoothie here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, and I was like, I'm just gonna mute it, and then I was gonna unmute it. I'm like, oh,
I
I
can't.
muted myself.
I can't. Oh, there you are. I muted
The
myself.
blender's loud.
But
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Whoever's phone that was that went off like 20 minutes ago, whatever, that was funny, bro. Sorry, I had to laugh because
I was like breaking out.
me and Nick both. Yeah,
I was laughing too. That was mine.
that was funny, bro. Dude, well, it's like everyone I know that uses that ringtone is always for like an important contact, so that they don't.
Yeah, you
miss-
better hear it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
someone important's calling.
That type of alarm, you better hear it.
Exactly, yeah. Or they use it for the alarm. Not me, bro. I would never want to wake up to that.
Yeah. You want like some peaceful, something. What do you guys use to wake up? You guys got your phone alarm, or you guys got an actual alarm?
No, I don't use one.
Now you don't use one?
Oh, sir. That's why, like, sometimes I'm like, here, bro.
Facts.
Well, probably no.
just
Yeah,
like
you
God
gotta-
wake you up.
Well, it's like, I don't know. I'm always usually awake. Like, in my body, bro. In my circadian rhythm. When it's New York session, I'm up.
Yeah, your body's in routine.
But, like, I've been sick the last couple of days, so I think that's why I've been like, slumped in. I got a
Yeah.
crazy fever today, bro.
Damn, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh
Be
shoot.
be alright,
Take
though.
some-
Be alright, though.
Take some
Never.
Dayquil.
No. I just be drinking water and then,
And pray. That's it.
yeah, pray. I had this, like, vitamin C, like, thingy, but
I was gonna say, bro, overdose
Travis.
yourself on VC and B12. That will get you going quickly.
dude, B12 does get me going, bro.
Yeah, but because when you're sick, like that kind of drops, and then now you're weak, and you don't want to be weak because then you get sick, right? So just get the B12, bro. Just like overload for a day or two,
Yeah, I
and
should.
you'll get back up.
That's why I drink excess all the time, man.
I'm about, to,
Loaded with B
Does it have B12,
vitamins.
really?
Yeah,
about to start investing in excess.
good investment. Hey, 1,900 people here. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Give the stream a like here today if you're enjoying it and if you're learning something. I use 5 alarms. Yeah, I have to set an alarm nowadays, gang. Otherwise, I mean, probably wouldn't oversleep, but what happened if I
Yeah,
did?
he wants to make sure. I don't blame you. Yeah, I wouldn't want to. Yeah,
Y'all be waiting on
it's
the
different for me, bro.
word.
You got 1,900 people here, so
There's only 19. I'm snoozing in my bed. There's 1,900 people in the waiting room.
That'd be sick.
You should be here pretty soon.
that's
Man.
funny.
Yeah, and I remember one day I showed up to the stream late. It was like not late.
7:30.
You guys didn't know, but it was like I don't know what happened. I think I forgot to set an alarm or something one day. It's a few months ago, and like came to the charts like, oh my god, it was like 400 people in the waiting room. I'm like, oh brother, oh brother.
Them seed oils from the restaurants were hitting, bro. Got-
That was the night after Chili's or something, man. You can stay
Yeah,
away from
right.
them restaurants.
Forgot to
Well,
tell them
not.
cook my steak and butter.
He's trying to take you out, bro. Chili's.
Chili's like, yo, we taking you out tomorrow.
What up, Scott? Scotty boy.
Scotty boy, what up, Scott? I'm in.
Scott, what up, Scotty boy?
Good
Morning,
morning,
bro.
Scott. Good morning, Scott.
Boy.
To be a professional trader, you got to get used to missing such huge. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, if it's not
Yeah,
lining
100%.
up. Oh yeah. Oh wait, are some of you guys dealing with FOMO? Oh, damn.
Like,
yeah,
if I
yeah,
had a
yeah.
reason to be in that, then I'd have been in it, trust.
Honestly,
I
I
don't have any reason to be in it.
yeah, I forgot we had to like do the FOMO thing. Like, hey, no FOMO, everyone. You know, just you're a professional trader. You're disciplined. You're only waiting for your playbook positions. Yeah, gang, don't get FOMO. Honestly, I didn't even give it a thought. Like, oh my god, we're missing a move here. Jomo. Yeah, there you go.
What tells me about FOMO, y'all, is that you're focused on making money more than you are focused about worrying about the best trade, taking the best trade.
Yeah.
Right? What is our mentality here? Come on, we come here and look for the best trade. We don't try to make money like that. Making money is a byproduct of us looking for the best trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, dead serious.
Horrible
Like,
top
before you
wicket.
ever press like buy or sell on any trade, like you got think to yourself, like, bro, how is this gonna look after with these, you know, like on the MT5 history?
Yeah. After you execute. Heck yeah.
Jomo, yeah, Jomo after the boot camp. Forgot to do my spiel. All right,
Oh, we got
everyone.
two kind of FOMOs here.
Don't worry. It'll
You
be
got
all
two
right.
kind of FOMOs.
What you got? What you got?
Facts.
FOMO 1 and FOMO 2. FOMO and
Yeah,
Jomo.
you got the guys trying to make money.
Uh-huh.
You got the guys trying to make money, and then you got the guys they want to be funded today. It's like, okay, so you get funded today, and then you blow your account in a week. So what's the problem here? Like, what's the thing? Just stick to the thing, bro. It's just like inning by inning. You're not gonna win the game in the first inning, right? Just inning by inning. Just one pitch at a time. That's all it is. This didn't work out today, bro. You got a whole week next week. Oh, I want to be funded today. Okay, you're not gonna get a payout today if you get funded today. So what's the deal? Simple, right? You simplify things, bro.
Yeah, they're.
So true.
Just got here. Why don't we take the trade? Which one? Which trade? I see
Tell me.
trades everywhere. I've been coming to your live for 1 month and you are just a spectator. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we only have 111, 35, 11, 150, 50, 157, 157. I know you take 157 trades a day, buddy, but yeah, don't worry. We do a little spectating, but we jump on it when our opportunity comes. What up, Sunboy? 90 comedy? Hey, yo.
Hey,
yo.
Travis, you probably ain't wrong, bro.
Chemtrails. Yo, nice, Dominic. Good stuff, bro. Locked in.
Let's get it, Dominic. Tunnel vision.
Yeah. Been watching me a month. Sounds like you the spectator. Got those push-ups up? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just do some push-ups, breathe some air, and you be out.
Yeah, facts. Especially if you got FOMO.
Sheesh. We're moving through this choppiness here, too.
That's cool. Gold's always right.
Yeah. What do you think has caused all the hate recently? 2 losses. Dudes are soft. Got a 15-minute break. Nice. Nice, nice.
More viewers, more haters, too.
Yeah. Plus,
Yeah,
They're
right.
always gonna be there.
anytime God's doing a big work, you know, the enemy tries to butt in a bit. But He ain't got no power. No power. He's powerless.
I've got all the power.
Hey, Nick, I'm watching for a month. Up 6K. Oh, nice. Let's go. Hey, look at that. Two totally different perspectives. One guy's been watching and just doing nothing. The other guy made 6K. Look at that.
Would you look at it?
Yeah, that's funny.
Damn.
Look at it.
I mean, that pretty much explains what I just talked about today. It's not a strategy, it's the trader. Look at this. One hasn't made anything, the other one is profitable. It's like, that's the answer right there.
Yeah.
Hey, we're here.
Yeah,
You
the
take what you want to do with
intentions
it.
of them yeah, their intentions are different as well. One's trying to learn, one's trying to trade, and the other one's just quite good.
One's
Yeah.
focused on the process, one's focused on the result.
Yeah. And by the way, I wouldn't be interested in trading this zone anyway here. It's super choppy here.
I don't know.
Yeah, when we came onto the live stream this morning, we already knew we were gonna miss out on one of the rides, right? Whether it was up or down. We already knew that. We set a plan for after the big move. So our plan hasn't played out yet, therefore we haven't taken any trades. Oh, thank you, Clayway. Let's go.
Haters gonna hate.
Oh, nice. Really helped me cool down as a trader. If I miss a trade, yeah, another one's gonna come, gang. Remember, I think somebody asked the question yesterday, like, what are you gonna do? Like, it's like, what do you do when you miss the bus? You just wait for the next bus, right? There's literally nothing. Damn. I really wanted to get on that bus, but I guess you can't like just all of a sudden think your way into the bus reversing and coming all the way back for you and picking you up, right? Just wait for the next bus. Simple. Don't complicate life, gang. Don't do it.
Chase the bus.
Don't chase it. Yeah, definitely don't chase it.
Don't chase the bus, yeah.
Breathe air, buddy. Let's go. Yo. You guys are funny, man. Some of y'all like, hell no, I'm chasing that bus. I got work today. Yeah, exactly, Joe. The bus is faster than you.
You're impatient for the bus, so you chase it.
Wow, gold bleeder here. We should get t-shirts that made up say just breathe air. Yeah, we should. Breathe air. Yeah, either way, 4 Hour didn't give us any top wick, so it's not my move here. Remember, you guys are just your own traders and you can still do your own thing, right? Chase your boss next Friday for that check.
Bro, you work for everyone. No,
TK's in the hat.
TK.
Yeah, there you go.
TK.
Miss the bus, then hop on stream and yell at Nick for missing the bus.
Yeah, TK, those steaks are looking good, brother.
Yo, where's TK in these steaks? Because I haven't seen it.
Bro, you gotta look on Instagram. You gotta get in the metaverse.
TK. Why didn't I see this post? Oh, man got the cat.
It was a great video too. Like he showed himself cooking it.
Hey, did you go out and get the cast iron pan too, like I told you? Let's go. See, TK knows what he's doing.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, damn. Okay, TK. All right, I'll watch that later so I can put some volume on it. That brother's starving t-shirts. Yeah, you know what's cool too is I had the pleasure of sitting on Don's stream, so I got to see all the crazy comments that he dealt with too. So it's like a walk in the park at this point, you know. Throwing hands with the bus driver. Yeah, GJC, nothing here yet. Let me check those sells out because I wanted to wait for a 15 close there on Nasdaq, and let's see. Yeah, is anybody in these? This is pretty clean to go down. You do have a wick fill. If you're in them already, great. I don't know if you guys are in these or not, or if any of y'all are in this, but 1 hour looks pretty clean. Yeah, 4 hour at least gave you something. 4 hour on gold gave us really no top wick here. She's like, TK, what you know about what you know about this aisle?
What's good with the other pants?
All right, inspire your soul. Have a great day. Enjoy your evening. I forgot some of you guys, it's late night for you guys. Have a great night and enjoy your weekend. We'll see you on
y'all
Monday.
Around the night. Let's go.
Oh, nice. Kells NYC. Yeah, buys would have been tough there. Everton, thank you so much, man. Thank you from Brazil. Hey, appreciate the dono, man. Thank you very much. Gold bleeder here. Yeah, I don't see anything.
A really good exercise.
What's that?
Go ahead, brother. Go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say I don't see anything either on the 15, so nothing there.
Yeah, what I was gonna say, like a really good exercise for you to battle these emotions and actually willpower, because that's something that we need to strengthen as well. Let yourself get hungry and go grocery shopping and literally focus on the things that you were there to buy. Because one of the worst things that you can do is to go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Everything looks good. You want to buy everything. You'll see, like if you can't go out there and go and buy the things that you needed without buying anything else, that's going to help you to control yourself a little bit when it comes to emotions over here. Like you hear a voice like, oh, buy. You hear the same voice when you go into the market.
Oh, yeah.
You're hungry. Just feel it. Acknowledge it, but I'm not going to do it. Willpower is going to strengthen a lot. Your discipline is going to strengthen a lot. Emotions are going to strengthen a lot. Just try it.
Oh, yeah.
Don't spend more than you could afford, though. Going with a budget. That's so true, man. You go to the store hungry, you pick up some stupid stuff. Same thing, you come into the markets just trying to drain it for money, you start taking stupid things sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes.
I love testing my discipline muscle. When everyone's eating pizza and I'm just sitting there not eating it. So.
Bro, this thing ripped. Wow. 2,000 coming in hot here. Let's go ahead and see what that daily looking like now. Where's the daily? Daily. Yeah, look at this. Ripping, man. So remember we talked about 1990 here. So we are approaching 2,000 now coming in. Yep. This is beautiful price action here. Daily come down, create support, create resistance. Boom, start driving here. GJ hasn't moved, I bet.
Look at Naz.
Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. 4-hour wick fill here. Everything's shaping up. No bottom wick on that 15. You got a bottom wick. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Gold bleeder though, man. We got 9:30 coming in here too. Yeah, we may get something at 9:15. I mean, 9:45 here. Henko trade left MT5. Oh wow. Yeah, 2020's been a wild year, man, with brokers and funding companies and all this stuff. It's been 2023's been a weird one.
True.
Yeah, Habib, look, this, like, if you see, like, the markets have, you know, highs and lows, we as traders are going to have highs and lows as well. So you're probably going to having, you're having a little low right now in order to get your next move to the high, right? So it's just managing your emotions and your thoughts. That's where the key is. That's where the power is, because you got to understand highs and lows are going to happen. It happened in the market, it happened in our lives, and it's going to happen in this as well. So you're having a low right now. How low are you going to let it go? Mm-hmm. Emotionally, mentally, physically, right? Get yourself ready for the high. That's what you can do. Accept it, just move on.
Yep. Pastor Rafi. Why are you not in NAS 100? NAS 100 is a pair that we've been sample sizing and preparing for 2024. So we've only been analyzing that pair every day. We haven't been physically actually trading it, but we will next month. Yeah, next month in January. Oh, wow. Mediquote's making moves, huh? Sheesh. All right, will we reject 2002? Just filled that clean range there. Had clean traffic in this range. Just filled it. Yeah, we need a pullback. All right, give me 1 minute. Well, we got 9:30 coming. Let's see what's going to happen. We're obviously not going to take anything here at 9:30. Not going to take sells here. Just too far down at this point. Gotta wait for a resistance. So maybe 9:45 we get a position, right? Maybe 9:30 can juice down and then pop up, right? Something like this, and then close like this, and then we get a resistance to form here, and then we could take sells.
Love it.
Yeah, or it might be 10 a.m. You know, maybe we continue up. 9:30 just pushes up, right? And then 10:15 we get resistance. So That's all we got. Yeah, give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Red folder at 10? Yeah, no. What's the plan? Well, Nick just went over it, but the plan is to wait for a playbook setup. Wait for that resistance to be formed on gold. That's our confirmation we can get in. Yep. You're right. We also have Monday too. That's true. What up, Scott? Yeah, we in our own spot right now, actually. Yeah, man, we chilling. Been here for about 2 months now. Yes, sir. Yes, blessed. What's up, Zeraxis? How you doing, man?
Nice.
Right, Scott?
Yeah, it should be a good day here today too.
Heck yeah, bro.
Should creep into the 70s, high 70s today.
I guess I won't wear any long sleeves today then.
Yeah, 945 could bring us up. It could bring us up here. This candle has very little top wick as well. Yeah, 930. This was a big move here, right? 930 pushed us, or 9 to 930 pushed us all the way down into that support. So you could get a pretty decent rejection here. Yeah, the only way I would probably take a buy is if this candle actually closed back above the 15-minute support to potentially take buys moving back up towards probably like this area up here, 2014. But we'll see if it even closes above. If not, we may just continue running down here. Yeah, that's right. I forgot we had news here. We got more news coming out at 10 a.m. Right? 10? Yeah, 10. Hold on.
10.
What's this? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we got another red folder coming out here.
Consumer sentiment.
Yeah. Yeah, since we have a red folder coming out, maybe we what I'll probably do is I'll let 9:45 go. And even if we do push up, then news may come out and then give us our next leg down. Right? So let's say we get a resistance formed here with like a pretty decent top wick, right? Something that activated buyers and really made people think, okay, we're moving up. And then that's when you should see a resistance form, and then we can get in on this candle to retest the lows down here if that happens. Something like this. Scott Habibi. Scott Habibi. You getting that A-rap on it? I love
And
cat
24.
or dog meat. Oh man, I'm sure you do.
Oh, cat and dog meat.
Hit up the butcher.
Whatever you like.
Whatever
floats your
floats. Yeah, I was gonna say whatever
Yeah.
floats your boat, my man.
boat. That's that energy me and Nick on.
Do you, boo boo?
Do you, boo boo? Bro.
Hey TK, clip it, why don't you? Clip this, man. Clip it, why don't you?
That's funny.
Which part? This part, bro. This part.
Yeah.
We get this, we're taking it. Clip it, TK, clip it.
Man. So, boys, what you got going on this weekend?
This weekend. I don't think we have any like actual plans of going out anywhere.
Freedom.
Yeah, we're just chilling.
Word.
Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. No plans till Monday. Monday we're back.
Facts. I like that. Nice. Got a chill weekend.
Yeah.
What about you,
I'll be
Rafi?
down in Kansas City. Yeah, I'll be down in
Oh,
Kansas
yeah?
City. I'm living here. Yeah, I'm living here after the stream. Meet with my mom and just take her out shopping a little bit, and yeah,
Nice.
that's it. How about you?
Nice, bro. That sounds fun. No, man, just gonna be chilling myself. We'll see. Maybe we can get something going, Nick, over the weekend. Nothing, but no plans, Yeah.
We'll see
Some
if we
mini
can find
golf?
some way to. Yeah, we actually didn't go that day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went out to
Oh,
eat. Yeah, we went out to
dang.
eat instead.
Yeah. Maybe we could go
Right.
those.
Yeah, we'll try and compete in some way, somehow. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Something that involves competition.
Even if it's shooting on Alea's mini basketball hoop.
We do a little competition.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's
Nice,
what happens
nice.
when you got all brothers, man. It's very competitive.
Very. For real.
How
Where's
about you,
Joe?
Sam?
Where's Joey Stu?
I missed half the combo.
What are you doing this weekend?
I missed that.
What am I doing?
Sam's resting. He's gonna
Rest?
try and
Yeah.
feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Sam, get off your phone. Bro, what? I'm not on my phone.
Yo,
Hey,
what is
yo.
Sam work for you?
You got a paycheck for Sam?
Yeah, right?
You talking to my boy
Bro,
like
he's-
that unless you paying him.
There ain't nothing to do. What do you want me to do, bro?
Some of you guys act like we work for you here.
Breathe air, buddy.
I'm eating scrambled eggs, bro. That's what that was.
He was eating he's eating cereal with dolphin milk.
That's what you like.
Morning
Yo,
beer?
Sam,
Yeah. Cheers.
You say morning beer.
Morning
Someone
Heineken.
said.
Mm.
Yo,
I just
Sam, what do you like vanilla Fairlife milk better or chocolate Fairlife milk?
Chocolate, bro.
Yeah.
Vanilla is just normal milk, bro.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Vanilla? Is it vanilla?
It's I agree. I've tried it. It's normal milk. I feel
Okay,
like,
okay.
but it
I
has
think-
more protein.
The chocolate does.
All right, let's get rid of
No,
some of this.
The Fairlife vanilla has more like protein than like a regular milk.
Like a regular milk, or are you talking
Like
about chocolate
like a
milk?
regular like whole milk or
Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. You drink that whole thing, it's like 100 grams of protein.
yeah,
Bro, I used to drink like one of those a day, bro. It's crazy.
bro. That's crazy.
I haven't had them in a while. I got some in the fridge, I think, right now, bro.
Oh word.
Yeah, bro. I burnt it out, bro. You'll come back.
Do it every day, you know. Get burnt.
You know where that chocolate milk comes from? Scott.
Like that dolphin milk.
Dolphin milk right here.
Different. You don't know about it. Sam is robbing Gold Bank today? Nah. I haven't had any trades. Because I was pretty mixed on the sentiment because of how the ADP came out, right? So, like, we were forecasting to come out green numbers, which we did. But on Wednesday, we were expecting that as well, but we didn't. We got red numbers. So, I wouldn't have been in there with this NFP.
All right, chat. Yes, I'm so I just kind of redid some things here. So trying to clean up the charts a little bit for everyone. So what we're looking at now is we have these ranges here, right? So we're going to see how things work out. I think if we can get some sort of a pushback up here with the red folder coming out and create some sort of like fake out in this area, especially off the 15-minute time frame, then our sells are going to be good to go. Even if we get the resistance form, let's say right around here as well, that's also going to be very, very good for price to continue down. Let's see what happened. Yeah, we drove down from here. We came up. We created a fake out from here, drove down. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. If not, we will take range 2 buys above this midline here. And clean buys above 2017. So that's what I'm looking at as of now. Just gonna get rid of all those other charts and just give a fresh outlook here today, as if we just showed up to the chart. So that's what I'm gonna look at here. We'll see if we can get resistance formed on one of these two lines here in these ranges, and if not, then I'll be pretty cool with taking my buys above 2017 there.
Yeah, I just want to create that second range.
Yeah. And look, if nothing happens, and we may just get a resistance here. You know, we may get something like this to happen where we don't even move up that much at all, right? We just kind of do something like this, close here, and then the next candle closes bearish. That's why I don't want to jump on the buys too quickly, because something like this can easily happen, right? We've seen this happen many times. Buyers get activated and then boom. So we'll wait for what we want to see here today. So that's what I want to see, and we'll see if we see what we want to see. See, señorita and señor? While I take a swig of my Heineken, I just slapped Mountain Valley water on there, so you guys didn't think I was trading drunk today. It is Friday. Come on.
Time to get wasted.
Dolphin milk.
Isn't Heineken 0% though?
Nah.
No idea.
Bring out the whole Heineken. Okay, here. So we got a closure below. So look at this 15 now. Well, we got news in the way here. So if this 15 can close bearish, then I think we're going to continue down. If we decide to move up, that'll be awesome too, because we want to potentially even catch ourselves from up here, right? So we can catch ourselves from way up here if we can wait and if price gives us that opportunity. Otherwise, you may get a closure below, and 10 a.m. may drive us down, right, and clean this whole range out. So, right, if this candle closes like this, 10 a.m. news come out, might just boink. So, we'll see. Oh, yo, GJ not bad here.
Oh,
GJ got a nice move coming in here, I think. Wow, 33 pip stops on pound yen? No way.
really? I thought 28 current candle.
Oh yeah, you're right. About 28.
I don't know like how I feel about news at 10.
Yeah,
I don't know
me
if it's gonna
too.
do something with pound yen.
Yep. Yeah, I'd rather
That
maybe
looks-
sit tight for a 30-minute seller at
Yeah.
at 10. You know, if we can get the news to come out 10, you know, it's not going to affect pound yen too much, but if we can get a 30-minute celery here, I'd be much more comfortable. This kind of smells like a support to me off the 15, but I like the way if the 30 closes celery, then I think that's going to be a better opportunity for us. Yeah, that'll also be a 1 hour close too, so strong 1 hour closure. Alexandros. Do I sound drunk? We'll put the C in the C in the C. We'll see if we can see what we want to see. But he good at it only when he's drunk. Yeah. I knew this guy, man. He was a straight up alcoholic. Honestly, I would not want to get in the car with this dude unless he was drunk. If he wasn't drunk, it was like he was drunk. Like, but when he was drunk, he was like perfectly
Hilarious.
functioning. Like, yo,
People
yo,
be-
how
Yeah.
much have you had to drink? Oh, 6 beers? All right, let's go.
Yo, that's so funny, bro. I remember when you said that one time.
Yeah, you remember that? Yo,
He's
that
a
dude was
functioning
nuts.
alcoholic.
Oh yeah, that dude. You do
That's
not.
real.
Yeah, you don't want to be with that guy when he's not drunk.
You will be like that.
Yeah, we pray for him. I think he's doing good though. I think he's shaking the curse. Don't talk about Greenland.
Men become brave when they drunk. Nah, I call that beer muscles, bro. They get two in them and they're like, "Who wants to fight?" They get their beer muscles.
Right?
That's so funny.
Goldie. Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure that dude sobered up, and I'm so happy for him because now he can actually function, right, without being drunk.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, W Mike Grant.
Oh,
Mike
yeah.
Grant.
5 years sober next month.
Oh, nice, dude. Hey, congrats,
Yeah.
Mike Grant. Beautiful.
It's a good accomplishment, bro.
Oh, yeah.
It's good stuff.
Speaking of drunk, German DAX on a crazy high record. That's too funny. Yeah, man. A lot of beers be Be getting slammed down in the softball games, huh? It's the beer league. Yeah, happy for him too. Yeah, me too.
Curious to see how pound yen.
Parents be
Wow.
tripping at little kid games. Yeah. Never really liked to drink. Never liked alcohol at all.
Same.
GJ got 8 minutes here left in the 1 hour candle. Same thing with gold, and then we may get something with gold here, so we'll see. We gotta wait now and see how news comes out, and if we can get, you know, the next couple candles to move up, then that's gonna leave us some room here, right? So we come up, oh, come up like this, and then possibly resistance. So the higher we go, the better, because then we have more range to come down, right? To retest that. What does gold like to do, gang? What do we talk about on the in the boot camp a lot? Right? Gold come down, create support, come up, create resistance. 85% of the time, price gonna want to retest that support. So that's what we're gonna wait for. Yeah, there you go, Lewis. Yep.
Yo, this looks crazy. When you right-click the TradingView scale and click on lock price to bar ratio, and then you zoom in and out, holy.
On TradingView?
Yeah, right-click the, oh, let me bring up the zoom. Yeah, right-click where the numbers are, like 2020.
Oh,
2021.
these?
Yeah, now click on lock price to bar ratio. It's at the top.
Oh.
Yeah, now zoom in and out with your mouse.
Oh,
Yo,
wow. Oh, that's sick. I did not know that.
I never knew that either till today. Just now. I was just messing around.
Oh, this could be very handy for when we're looking for a top wick. You'd be like, does it have
Yeah.
one? Yes,
really.
it does. There it is. All right. Yeah, 4 hour. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Holy. We got a
Takes up
top
my whole
wick.
screen.
We got a top wick. Oh, wait. No, never mind. We
sodomy.
don't have a top wick. Oh, man. Would you look at that?
Yeah, that's crazy. I kind of like it too. I might leave it on.
Yo, it's actually pretty. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Bro, we should start trading like that.
Yo,
'Cause usually
TK.
I'll scroll and then drag the.
Yeah, me too.
Bro.
This could be when
Yeah,
we're like,
I like that, bro.
this could be when we're like doing the reel here. It's like, whoosh, what do we
Yeah.
decide to do? Whoosh, 20 minutes before. Damn. That's pretty sick. You learn something new every day here, chat.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. OMG, he mean he don't know? Come on, grow up. Come on, brother. I just getting excited. I found a little tool or something. I've
Never
never
grow up.
seen
Don't
in
listen to
my
that
3.5
guy.
years of me doing this.
Don't listen to him.
3.5 years, I never knew you could do that.
ZWG Ange, whatever your name is, don't ever grow up.
that's why I'm quaking.
Ever.
A little.
That's funny.
Right? They like expect a perfect human being.
Ziggy Zigwajiggy Ange, whatever.
Blickety 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 blick.
Oh man, you think I need to grow up? You should see me with my kids. Funny stuff.
I think we need to treat others the way we want to be treated and judge people the way we want to be judged.
Dun. What's the celery? So let's say we broke this low here. That would be considered a celery. So you got a bullish close, you remain below the range, and then you break the lows. That's typically what a celery play looks like. So you can call it whatever you like, you know. But yeah, we just boom. So that would be your entry right here, and then bam. But we kind of want to see a resist. We want to get a resistance formed here. Let's see. Let's see.
You guys took it to heart? Nah, I was just like, come on, bro. Maybe I was acting like a little bit of a kid there, getting on the side of the
He was
day.
getting goofy. Yeah.
Better than getting excited over my trades.
Yeah,
I
that's
guess.
true.
Oh my god, bleeder, bleeder, bleeder. I'm up 100 pips. Get the phone.
Take a pic.
Record, post.
Stop. I'm starved. How do you draw lines on the screen? Zoom. Zoom, zoom.
Zoom.
See how still Rafi is? That boy's in a meditative state right now.
He's about to fall asleep.
He's manifesting these 3 bullish candles and then a beautiful bearish one and then a 1030 drop.
Facts.
Bro, you might be joking, but I was actually thinking about that right now. Like literally, I'm like
Hell yeah.
preparing myself for that before it happens.
It's coming.
Not even lying, seriously.
It's coming.
Hell yeah. Meditating on the market, giving you what you need, what you want.
Let's see. We may get rewarded for our patience here today.
Let's get it. Close to Friday with a bang.
Yeah. Ba ba. Y'all add 5s flows well with my ADD. Oh man. We do what we can. We do what we can, you know? How do you draw lines on the screen? A zoom. Zoom.
Where you're measuring, where your toolbar.
Zoom.
Go over to the trend line tools and get the horizontal line, brother.
Google it.
Man, today's the best day of our life. Let's go.
Will we get rewarded here for patience today? We've seen it happen time and time again. Will it happen here today? Yeah, 1 hour is going to close too. So look, the 1 hour closes, right? And pulls back for a top wick. That's where our resistance may be formed at, right? On the 15. So what this 15 move will look like, right? This the 15 here. You got this, obviously, this strong bearish candle. Boom. Let me use the solid color. Right? You got the strong bearish close looking like this. You have the 15 candle that's moving up. Right? Came down. Activated mad sellers that weren't patient. Closed below the range. And now the next candle, if we can move up, right? Move up like this. That and this candle closes, and now the 1 hour candle closes. The 1 hour candle needs a top wick, right? So what that can look like is that could look like one more 15-minute candle, and then so that's your 10 to 10:15, and then this is 10:15 to 10:30, which makes a resistance for 10:30 now to move down, right? So and what does that look like on the 1 hour chart? Well, right, we got these candles that came down. That just looks like this simple 1 hour wick fill, right? Top wick, which is right here, top wick, these 2 candles, and then the drive down. So that's what we could expect, and most likely that will probably add to a 30-minute celery play as well, where the 30-minute will look something like this, right? Where you'll have this body, and then you'll have this weak bullish close, right? Something like that. Yeah, here we go. So here comes news. So let's see how this goes down. But this is what it should look like, right?
Green
This is what it
numbers.
15 should look like. This is what it should look like on the 30, and then this is what the 1 hour should look like. So 15-minute onion, 30-minute celery, 1 hour breakout, or 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour breakout. Lovely, perfect. No bottom wick here too, which is good. Is there a recording of the boot camp? Yeah. Yeah. If you registered but you didn't make it, just message me. Message me on Discord if you can. Yeah, try and do it now too while I'm in front of it. All right, nice. Perfect. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour looks good. Yeah, all we need is a resistance here. Why is it good? No bottom wick? Because a lot of times, like, price will come. Well, obviously, it's going to start to make it now. But let's say that candle just juiced up bullish. A lot of times now, that's a sign that the next candles are going to come down, right? And make a bottom wick. So you could expect it. But it looks like we got it there now. So, yeah, this may be where our resistance gets formed at. Yeah, impulse entry would be on the break of that low there. We've taken that trade. It's alright. It's not A+. Yeah, we really want to, in order to take a sell, we want to follow a bearish candle, right? So we don't want to take a sell while everything's still bullish. We want to see this candle actually close bearish, and then we could take our sell. Yeah, worst case, this candle closes bearish below, right? Below here. Like this. We have our support, and then we take sells. Worst case, price just says, screw y'all at time to eat, and just goes like this. Doink. Missed it again. So yeah, that's the worst case. What broker do I use? I use ACAP. ACAP and Dominion Markets. Yo, Nick, check food pics. Made a quick ribeye while waiting. Oh, damn, that looks good. Well cooked. Damn, what time is it for you? Wait, I thought you were in the U.S. Where are you at, Landon? For some reason, I thought Landon was in, like, Kentucky or something.
He's gotta be in the U.S. What do you mean? His name's Landon.
I believe he is.
My man's eating steak for breakfast then. Let's go.
Good stuff, Landon.
That boy about to be solid.
For real.
That thing looks good too, bro. You cooked
Yeah.
it perfect. Nice and
Yeah.
pink.
Hold on, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Oh,
I
that's
need a
breakfast. That's breakfast. Let's go.
Yo,
Yo,
Landon, those homemade mashed, bro.
Kentucky. Yeah, he got it right.
Ooh, Kentucky. Nice.
Hello from Kosovo. Yo, I've never even heard of that place. Shout out to Kosovo.
Shout out.
Where's that at? About to look it up.
Yeah, I have no idea.
In the Balkans.
Got a couple people here from Kentucky. Nice.
Louisville in the house. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Switzerland in the house. Argentina is in the house. Hey. Let's go. All right, we got 8 minutes here for this candle to close. 5 has no top wick too, so that's pretty good. We may pull up a little bit to create that top wick and see if we can get a nice resistance here. End our Friday off.
I think gold will be nice to us today.
Me too.
Hey, yo, Landon, on those burgers, bro, did you make, are those like 3 patties? Triple cheeseburger?
Triple cheese. Triple slices of cheese there too.
Four patties each. Oh, man.
See, that's why this is why we don't want to take that off of a bullish candle here. See, so this has happened before, and we avoided it. We avoid that moving forward, right? We don't take that trade anymore, and that's the reason why, because we're still bullish, right? We're still unsure of whether or not we want to do it. Now the 5 didn't make a high, and it just did now, so that's good. So hopefully this 15 can sit right here for us.
Man, where do you get your patties from?
GJ Pack Runner. GJ Pacquiao.
I don't know. Got you, Landon. That makes sense.
Oh, damn. Bought half a cow? Sheesh.
Smart
You're
man.
definitely going to get that weight up.
Smart man. I think I need to do the same.
How much they charge you for the half a cow? If you know. I don't know.
Yeah,
Pacquiao to goat. Holy. I'm short on gold. What's your view? If the 15 closes bearish right there, I'll be short on gold with you, brother. But not yet. Definitely not yet. Not for me. Got 5 minutes and 44 seconds for this candle to close. It can close way up here for all we know. So don't want to jump the gun here just yet. $1,300.
Okay. You got unlimited meat. Hey, yo.
Whoa.
Us. No homo.
Yeah, you see, that's why we did not jump the gun there on the sells. because we don't know where that resistance is going to be formed until it's actually formed, right? So we don't know if it's going to get formed at this level. It may get formed up here at this level, right? For all we know, this candle may juice up, and then you may have the resistance form up there, right? You close a no top wick or something, and then price just creates the resistance here. So we don't want to take sells until we actually have a bearish closure. Once that bearish closure is there, then we could take our sells, because you need confirmation, right, to get into a trade. So until you have a bearish candle close, there's no confirmation. That's your confirmation candle now. This is your trading candle, right? This is your target. Price came down, right? Makes a high. Come back down to retest the low. Whatever happens after that is a runner.
And a track star.
And a track star. And we are pretty we do seem to catch nice runners on Fridays. I only trade Fridays now. Stoned LA, yeah, that's why, because there was no confirmation candle for me yet. Right, so I was waiting for my confirmation here on the 15. There was no actual closure that was bearish, right? So there's no confirmation, so I can't get in without that confirmation. And I don't use the 5 minute, because the 5 minute can, you know, screw you all around. So you know, this wasn't a good enough confirmation for me, this 5 or anything like that. So I don't ever look at the 5. It's 15, 30, 1 hour. The 5 will really mess you up. If you don't know how to really work the 5 and you haven't spent significant time back testing, then it could really throw you for a loop. Pause. Green, what you laughing at?
Greenery. Yo, Green, I'm in the mood for Burger Loft.
Burger
right now,
Loft.
bro.
Oh, Burger Loft. Oh, snap.
Green, you might have to hit that up for me tonight.
You look shredded, man. Yeah, Green shredded. Hey, Alexandros, you ain't doing too bad yourself, buddy. Looking good, man. Looking good.
Yeah, bro. Green's consistent, bro, in the gym. He's got that consistency.
Only if you knew what Green's middle name was. Right, Green?
Yeah, shout out to Alexandros too. I seen that picture, bro. You got them battle scars. and
Word. That boy cooking.
Yeah, I've never seen it, but
Yeah, that boy getting
everything.
busy.
In the Discord somewhere.
good stuff, bro.
He's got them battle scars.
What's
Yeah.
your workouts consist of?
Yeah, see? Nothing here, man. So this candle's going to close bullish. The next one may ride up. We don't know. So we don't I'm not going to take any buys here until we actually get either a closure above 17 or a new range. Other than that, we are setting up for some sort of a higher low. Right? Some sort of a higher low here to continue down. Two greens, three greens, four greens. Will the real green please stand up? Gold can go up. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think so. Yep, I think we could continue moving up maybe a little bit more. Come into the zone here. Hey, we may even tap into this one now, right? So, yeah, gold could definitely move up. What time is it here? 10:15 now. Yeah, 1 hour did close below, right? If we're looking at the 1 hour chart, we did close below this range here. So you may be making a top wick for price to continue down. But 30 still open. 15 did open here, so we'll see what happens now. 10:30 may be the play. Yeah, if it's not 10:30, then it may just be the move. Another move may happen a little bit later. So. Oh, we got some weightlifter conversations going on here. Yeah. GG. Pound yen, really doing nothing. Just kind of went down and no force here. We did tap into that support though. Couple weak 30-minute candles there. All right. How you deal with the losses? I just move on to the next trade. I understand that I'm in a game where I'm gonna take losses. You know, it's like we were talking about earlier. Like, how does a professional baseball player deal with strikeouts? You know, it's part of the game. Oh, we got Maverick in the house. Oh no, Manvic. Manvic. So it said Maverick.
Thought you meant your Maverick.
Oh yeah, my Maverick is here. I hear him like banging into walls already. Dude woke up on 100.
Damn, he's ready to go.
He's ready.
My man was starving. You walked in yesterday. My man was ready to eat.
Give me shout out, bro, and breathe air. Shout out to Haras.
Haras.
Breathe air.
Haras.
What's up, Haras?
PT. That's so funny, right? Send me a breathe air, bro.
Breathe air.
Breathe air.
When will it come down more? When gold wants to come down, it will come down. I have no idea.
What was your biggest win? Biggest win on a live account was almost 10,000, and then same thing on a funded account, 10,000. Biggest loss? Biggest loss on a live account, I think in one trade was probably like 1,700, I think. And then on funded accounts, maybe like 5,000. No, actually even more with the 400K, but you know, that's
like
on my live 100K account, it was probably around like 4,000, almost 5,000.
I'm gonna go play blackjack on stake, yo. Good luck.
Blackjack.
Alexandra, bro, that's so funny, bro. Exposed.
Yeah, Landon, that's so true. Yeah, you know you're over risking when you quake or when you get really nervous or you're in a trade and for some reason you were just chilling and now all of a sudden you're freezing, right? You're ice cold, your jaws shaking, your neck muscles are getting all tensioned up in the back. It's probably a sign you're over risking. Yeah, you should probably bring that risk down a little bit. Your heart's pounding. You feel like the muscles in the back of your neck are like just, jah. Let me lower my risk here a little bit. Yeah, the strategy, yeah, it's to breathe air. Yes, correct. How many funded accounts have you had? Like live ones, I think 4 or 5. Breathe air, buddy. Hey Nick, any advice on dealing with impulsive entries? Even though I'm not over risking my trades or full margin my account. Yeah, if you're gonna do impulse entries, you want to sample size them first. Like I haven't done impulse entries in like 9 months. So what am I doing now? I'm just watching them, right? I'm just planning an impulse entry and then just watching it and, you know, seeing if things are still working the way they're used to working or I'm used to seeing them work. Sample sizing is going to give you the confidence that you need, right? Because you really do need to have data. Have your decisions backed by data in the market. You can't really just have a decision backed on, you know, feelings or what somebody else said. You really want to have things backed by data. So collect data on it, right? Sit out for a little bit. Let's just say now until the end of the year, just don't take them, you know, just watch them, just sample size them and see if they're even worth it. You know, sometimes they're not even worth it, you know, because there's times where they don't have any stop losses and this and that. And is it really worth, you know, risking, you know, more of your account without a stop loss or, you know, whatever it is. So I would just sample size it and get a good read on them. Yeah, I mean, you're chilling. You're not over risking or anything. So should be good. Should be good. Just got to really get a good read on it in order to back it with confidence. How come we've never seen any payouts? We've showed payouts. Yeah, I haven't had one with the 400K. So once I get that one, you guys will see that one too. What do I think of EMAs? I think they're good if they help out. Yeah, if they help out. I used to use, I think it was the 14 EMA. Yeah, they're pretty good. They're not bad. It's like EMAs, Fibonacci's, all indicators are really good. You just gotta, do they work for you or not? You know, for me, I don't really need them. They don't make too much sense for me, but for other people, you know, it helps out.
5 more minutes here.
I heard some people talking about you recovered your 400. Yeah, the 400K. Yeah, that's sitting at 2.5% profit. So I stopped trading it. So I'm just trading this one now. I got that one back above profits. And worst case, because you can't, with the funded trader, I can't use both of them. So I got them both in profits now. And now I'm just going to trade this one. And worst case, I'll go back to that other one. But yeah, it's just sitting now. It's just sitting in the garage. Sample size means that you are testing the idea. So you are watching it play out, gathering data on it, trying to understand the move. Like when these impulses work, right? When they don't work, you know, typically you're going to find that they're going to work during high times of volume. They're going to work during news events, session opens, things like that. That's what I've gathered, but you will gather that information on your own. And again, that'll give you the confidence to back those trades.
Yo, Nick, I think you need to write down on the chart this side. I use this broker and just leave it in there. I feel like that question is asked 200 times
Frequently
plus
asked
every day. Yeah.
And I'm just answering it, you know, like it's the first time the question's been asked.
Yeah.
Just in the routine. Yeah, no, it's true. Lots of
Raja will be like, he reads it, irrelevant, next.
trade with yeah, that's some loser stuff, bro. Chill out. Chill. Pew, pew. Same people ask the same questions. Oh no. Yeah, sometimes I don't look at the username. I just look at the question. Oh yeah, thanks Billy O'Neill. Yeah, I actually haven't done that. I will check that out. Yeah, Jonathan. Yes. Oh, Anna Stew's in the house. Hi, Anna. Thank you for taking care of my kids out there. Sounds like they're running wild. Anna's in the house. Oh, yeah.
They'll in the chat for Anna, bro.
Hey, babe, I'm just waiting for this resistance to form, you know? And then I'll come hang out. Wana. Yeah, Wana. Wana.
Bro, tell me why you said Maverick was bouncing in the walls earlier. I was thinking, you ever see like WWE when they like fly to the corners?
Yeah.
And
They bounce off of it.
they bounce off and they go flying.
Yeah.
That's how I pictured it. I don't know why I just thought of it again. It's funny, bro. I'll just go down. I'm about to call it a day.
Yeah, it might be calling it here. Yep. Unless we get a fake out here, then that's it. Dubs in the chat.
This dude's trolling, bro.
What happened?
Where do you hear me say that? I'm not gonna read it. Dude, PT likes to troll.
If the idea works out, what kind of clean traffic are you looking for? Where is the real target? The real target is back down at this support, right? So if we do get some sort of a fake out, then this is the target, right? So this support should get retested, but we do need a candle to close bearish here, right? So like I said, the higher the better, right? The higher up the better. That leaves us more room for price to continue down here. So if you do get a resistance, then you should see this support being retested. Cool. But I think, yeah, we did close above here, so we gotta wait now. We gotta see if this candle is actually gonna close. I don't think I'm gonna stick around for all that though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep an eye on this off stream. I use ACAP and Dominion markets. Yeah. Yeah, I use ACAP and Dominion. Yep. So yeah, I would stick around, but it's gonna take about 30 minutes, or 15 more minutes to play out. Do you guys, should I stick around? What do you guys want to do? You guys want to dip out, or you wanna chill? I'm a free man. I don't got a boss, so I just do whatever I want. But I know some of you guys got to get going.
I want to go stack some B12. That's what I want to do.
Stack
Yeah,
that
I'm gonna hit
B12.
the road, fellas. So
Okay, yeah, I know you got plans.
I'll see you guys next week. Stay calm this weekend. Get some study done, and see you guys on Monday.
Awesome,
Sir.
awesome. All right,
Take it
brother.
easy, Rafi.
We'll see you Monday, man. Enjoy that time with your
Take
mom.
care, fellas. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
enjoy it.
will. See you guys.
All right, brother.
All right.
Peace.
Take it easy, brother.
And we're down to
Johnny
3.
Boy's muted.
Oh,
I'm
sorry,
muted.
John.
I just seen it.
I'm like, peace, Rafi. Peace.
He's like, damn, man,
Not even
screw
knowing.
John. He
I
didn't
like
say
that
goodbye to
we're-
me today.
I looked over at the cams and your thing was red.
I didn't even notice.
All right, looks like Chad's down to chill. Yeah, I'll chill for another 15 or so.
You're a great guy, Nick. Not gonna lie.
Yanosh is in the house. Yanosh. Yeah, we'll chill for a little bit, gang. Friday, yeah. Saturday, Sunday.
I may hop on my phone because I'm about to go for a little walk, get some steps in. Beautiful out there.
All right.
I
Sounds
bet.
good.
So catch you boys later if I'm not on here in a little bit.
All right, bro. We'll see you on Monday.
All right, bro. Nah, I should be on though. If you're gonna be on, you're gonna be on till 11.
We'll see. Yeah. If this candle closes bearish, then most likely.
Well, if you're on, I'll see you.
All right, bro.
All right,
Enjoy
bro.
that walk.
Peace, boys.
Walk.
Sam, peace.
Walk.
Doses.
Walk.
There.
Walk.
Easy, brother.
Peace, chat.
Yeah, I'll
Peace.
stay till previous candle high. If it gets broken,
Yeah.
no.
Same.
Because then if it does that, it's probably just gonna keep running up.
That's
Yeah.
facts.
Agreed.
That's facts.
All right, John.
Peace.
I'll see you later, man.
All right, bet. Peace, y'all.
Get back to the business, spirit to the city. When we got the light shining, come get me. John's gonna walk. Walk. Walk.
I'll do that.
Get back to the business.
No. What? What? You be coming on here for a whole 4 hours just to chat? Trust me, I'd love to take a trade.
Happens.
But
Happens sometimes, Peter.
uh,
What are you gonna do?
but I want to take a high win rate trade. So I have my best chance of taking a W.
Ditto. Four hours of straight talk today. Do you think I want to do this?
Yeah, I'd love to be in the blues.
I sample sized you for a week. You literally become. We took 4 trades, Peter, this week. What you talking about, Peter? I think your sample sizing is done. Did I move the trade copier to Trader Connect? I did. You need some help on it? Message TK on oh sorry TK. Yeah, message TK on Discord. I'm sure he can help you out. He's quick with it too. He's quick with it. Yeah, if we break the high here, probably call it a day. We may range here after that. So yeah, if we do end up ranging, then closures back below 2013 would be pretty solid for a retest of that support. So we'll see what happens on this candle here. Awesome. Hey, yo. Yeah, 8 minutes here. Eight minutes. Will we get what we've been waiting for? Right? What did we do when we came to the charts today? We talked about how we're probably gonna miss out on this entire move here. Right? We already knew that from the jump as traders, right? We already had a plan. We knew we were gonna miss out on some sort of aggressive move due to NFP. We had a plan to wait for a pullback, right? If we get the pullback, we'll take ourselves moving down. If not, then our plan doesn't play out here. So all we're doing is sitting tight, waiting on our plan here today. Right? We talked about potentially missing out on this huge aggressive move early on, so nobody was upset about it. And yeah, we're just letting things play out. Life could be so simple. Yeah. Where was it? Where was it? Here it is. Right? We talked about we're probably going to miss out on this, right? We're not looking for that move, and now we just need a resistance. Right? 7:32 a.m. Everything documented, man. That's what we do. Yeah, we even had TK clip it. Clip it. Or what was that? That was somewhere over here. Oh, okay. Yeah. Look familiar? Beginning to look familiar? So if we get it, we get it, right? And if not, we don't. But if we do get it, if we do get it, we know we planned it, right? We know we planned it. So yeah, looking good though. Not gonna lie, looking good here.
Yes, sir.
Got 6 minutes.
It's almost identical to how you drew it.
Yeah, almost.
I think
Almost.
it's like one less candle or one more or something.
Yeah. TK even clipped it for you so you can enjoy it in a nice little reel. Hey, we're getting that loss out there too. We got a reel coming on the loss that we took. We're gonna kind of show how we took that loss, how we minimized our risk in that loss, and all that good stuff. Thank you, Dino. Thank you. Thank you. As I tell you guys every day, my plan is never to make money here. It's never to lose money. It's to follow the plan. You know, that's it. Sometimes when I make money, sometimes when I follow my plan, I make money. Sometimes when I follow my plan, I lose money. That's not up to me, but what is up to me is following my plan to the T. I know if I do that over the next year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, I will be a multi-millionaire and live life on my own terms and do what God has called me to do. Simple. Let me switch the whole thing up for Jimmy Ding Dong 123 on YouTube. You ain't messing up them plans, boy. Yeah, 30's looking good. 15's looking good. 1 hour's looking good too. Yep. Roll up them sleeves, kid. Yo, TK's a rapper too now. That's right. AI, son.
Yeah, this is looking really good. I really like this.
Ditto, ditto. TK's our our moderator too for the boot camp.
Oh yeah.
All right, looking good, looking good. See if we can get a bit of a pullback here. How to use the mini markets in the US? Yeah, so I registered under Bitcoin, but apparently a lot of I had a couple friends just actually try to get a account with Dominion and they were denied. So I'm actually gonna hit Raja up about that and see what it is that's going on. I haven't gotten any emails or anything like that, but yeah, everything's still in good standings for me. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see what's going on with that. Same thing with ACAP. A lot of you guys are wondering how I'm using ACAP. I don't know if they switched things recently or what happened, but yeah, everything's good on my end. Come on, pull back here a little bit, my friend.
It's a bottom wick, Goldie.
Give us a bottom wick, eh? How did you study how gold moves? I just showed up to the New York session every single day for the last 3.5 or 3 years and watch every candle on gold for the New York session. Just put in the work. That's it. Yeah, it's not bad. If we can get a nice little pullback here, that'd be awesome. Do it. Yeah, put crypto instead of your country. Yep. Yeah, some of you guys may be trying to put like the US or something, and that's why they're not I don't know. I still have to look into it actually, but yeah, maybe that's the reason. Some of you guys are putting the US and they're saying, hey, we can't accept you. So instead of putting the United States, if you guys are in the US, put crypto. Yeah, that's what I did.
That's what I did too whenever I made one.
Yeah.
I never like used it, but and someone asked me that the other day too, and they never messaged me back, so it must have worked.
Yeah.
I use Dominion. I live in the States as well. Did you use crypto?
Crypto.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, see? Have to put crypto in. All right, 15-minute candle's going to close here in just a few seconds. So what we're seeing here is 30 minutes still working on this resistance here. 1 hour is moving back down pretty nicely. 15 is going to close at resistance in 20 seconds. So right now the stops are a bit steep. They're about 40 pips. If we can get this candle to pull back a little bit here, that'd be awesome. If not, we actually may have to wait for the 30-minute candle. Yeah, so let's see. I think we should be good on the 15 though here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so we need a top wick. You guys obviously know the plan. We need a top wick here. And then we can have sell stops. Well, may have to wait for the 30 here. Alright, now I'm working overtime. I'm working overtime now, chat. Yeah, no top wick there on the 15, unfortunately.
Yep.
Yeah, now, all right, so the only way now is we wait for the next 15, aka the 30 close, and we have to get a pack runner here, basically, right? We got to see maybe if we can close like right around here, right? Next candle comes up, gives a top wick, and then fills the wick, and then continues driving, but it's not looking good now. Yeah, this support here, that's a 15-minute, I think it was a resistance, yeah, 15-minute, yeah, right here. No, that was based off the 30. Yeah, 30-minute support right there. It's gone. Anna, where you at? Anna's probably off the stream now. Damn, Sam. Sheesh.
What I
No
do, bro?
top wick.
Oh, no. Yeah.
No top wick. Is ACAP a good broker? They're pretty good for gold. I hate them for GJ though. Jimmy Ding Dong 123 said take a bot.
Jimmy Ding Dong 1, 2, 3, bro.
Anna said she's pregnant with 2 kids to take care of. She's sorry she can't attend to the chat. She's gonna be a new mod in the chat. I gotta mod you, by the way, babe. She said, I don't need to be modded.
Nani can be boiling. Yo. She don't want the, yeah, she don't want the overtime.
Nah. Yeah, damn, Ricky. Are you serious? Damn, dude, sorry to hear that. Which company was it? Let's expose them. Let's expose them. Don't lie, though, please, please. Only if this is truth. I don't think you would lie, though. They closed my account. Damn. Couples always have fights. What are the topic of your fights? I always fight for my time. Nowadays, our fights are, if I drop something and I'm like, I don't want to pick that up. She's like, no, you pick it up. I'm like, no, I'm not picking it up. I'm like, you pick it up. I don't want to pick it up. All right, I'll pick it up. Screw it. Oh, the big bank algies are onto us? Oh.
Yeah,
I don't think the
right, they
big
said
bank
that.
algies can really care about us too much. Maybe they do. I don't know. Yeah, another one's like, you know, I don't want to change that diaper. Well, you change the diaper. I don't really want to change the diaper. Well, all right, I'll change it. Wow, yeah, Ricky, nah, that's I'm sorry to hear that, man. That's a real tough one. What was the reason? Did they say you broke a rule or?
Close down your dashboard and ban you from the Discord. Wow.
Sheesh. Talk about the setup. Yeah, this was the setup that we were looking for. So all we really needed here was a top wick. If we would have had a top wick like this, then we could have been in this. But no top wick, no entry. So I wanted to see something come up and then flip bearish again, and that would have been our entry, and this could have been our Friday. Smart prop trader. Oh, smart prop. I don't think I ever heard of them. Yeah, that's why I would, gang, I would, if you guys are working with prop firms, I would try, or let's not call them prop firms. That's a complete disrespect to prop firms. Let's call them funded companies, right? So let's say you are working with a funded company, then make sure it's like the top dog. You know what I mean? Like the top, like at least top 3 to 5. I mean, anything other than that, I would not even bargain with. Yeah, stick with like the top 3. That's going to be your best bet. I was risking 500 to make 5,000. Yeah, for some reason, I guess some of them don't like that. I don't know. Interesting. All right. Hey, chat, I think that's going to be it here. Yeah, I think that's going to be the day. So not really going to touch anything. If the 30 does pull back, I may be interested. But it would have to give a top wick. I don't know. I don't really like the way everything's looking here. But, you know, if I do take anything, it'll be sent out. So, yeah, I think that's it. Good week here, gang. First week, right? First week of December. So we got like 2 weeks left, and then we're going to take our break and come back 2024. So I think that's going to be the day for me. Sam, I know you're not feeling well, but thanks for sticking around the entire stream.
Hey, yes, sir.
Johnny boy, I see you in the chat. Yeah, you feel better now, right?
Yes, sir.
A little bit, like you just feel a little bit better.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll be good. I ain't gonna
Yes,
die.
sir. All right, bro. Hey, chat, prayers for Sam that his fever would go down and he would feel better this weekend. There's a lot of power in prayer, so I bet that that it'll work out well. So
Yeah,
feel better,
thank
brother.
you, brother. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I think that'll do it for the week, yo. W week.
Yep.
Yeah, like Nick said, 2 more to go, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I'm gone.
Bet.
Yeah, take it easy, Nick.
Yeah, you too, bro. I'll
Have a
talk
good
to you
week.
later.
Yep.
All right,
Peace
brother.
out, chat.
Later. All right, chat. Hey, love y'all. Great week. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. Hope you have a good weekend. And we will see you back here on Monday. If you're sticking around for the vibes, good stuff. I'll see you in the vibe chat. Later, gang. Mods, thanks for coming by today. Thanks for handling business as always. Appreciate you guys more than you know. And great job at being disciplined here today, chat. I'll see you guys on Monday. Deuces.